Welcome in, guys. Let's get this thing going. Welcome in, Zareth. I just read your message. I don't know why, but the free cam add-on does, I'm assuming that says doesn't work for me. I enabled the beta API and I activated the mod, but it did not work for me. Are you able to get into the camera setting? You're just not able to move? If that's the case, then you need to set your speed by typing $S and then the speed level. So $S5. Anytime that you install that pack, you need to set your speed the very first time. That's going to be changing inside of the updated free cam add-on that I'm going to be working on. It's not going to be releasing for a little bit, but I'm transferring that over to be more data driven rather than going off of scoreboards and such. So the first thing that I wanted to do today is not related to the Project Bedrock server. I do want to get to the Project Bedrock server in this stream, and we're definitely going to be doing some fun and shenanigans. But before we do that, I wanted to work on a pack that I'm about to release. And that pack I should have already brought up. Let's see, it's going to be development behavior packs, and then that one can be deleted. We don't need that anymore. And this one, so essentially what we're going to be doing is this one here. Let's go down here, make sure all of this is turned on. Trim and recorded overlay, that's fine. And it does not have an icon because I have not made one yet. That is fine. So we could jump into here. Let me know, as always, guys, if the music is too loud or not loud enough. I can adjust it accordingly. Also, my microphone has been really wacky. My children decided to mess with my computer, and I don't know what they did. I tried to fix it the best to my abilities, but I think I got it back to the way that it was before. But let me know if there is any issues with hearing me, or if I sound funny or anything like that. So this is a pack that I threw together real quick, and it is, let's see, I think I just actually turned that off. So let's do BC local. And this is one that I just put together. I'm going to be releasing it on the channel within the upcoming days. But essentially, whenever you die, it's going to send you the location that you died at. It's going to send Right now it's local, so it's only going to say you died, but it's going to send the coordinates that you died at and the dimension that you died at. Then if we wanted to do broadcast local would be just sending the message to yourself. If you wanted to do broadcast global, and let me put keep inventory true, and then we're going to give at self firework rockets, 64 of those, level 3. And nope, I don't have an elytra either. And an elytra, let's enchant that with unbreaking 3. And I guess I don't need mending. I've had that elytra break about 10 times with testing this pack. So did I set that to global? Okay, yes, it's set to global. So now that it's set to global, whenever you die, let's see where we're going to splatter here. Like 150-ish. So now whenever it's set to globally, it's going to say the player name died at the location that they died and the dimension that they died, which is really, really cool. And if we go into another dimension, such as the end. Get out of here. Out of here. Out of here. Yeah, I win. No. There we go. So you can see if we die in the end, it's going to say ours built died at the location in the end as well, which is awesome. And then I also added in a unload method. So it's set to load by default, so it's going to work the way that Minecraft generally works. But if we go into the end here, or not the end, the nether. If it'll load. There we go. And we decide to die. You'll see that it actually teleported us back into the overworld. And the reason for that, now given I just died in lava, so I would have lost all of my stuff anyways. But if I were to go, say, far, far away and die, then it's going to teleport us back to a predetermined area that you can set in the code. And that is basically going to unload that area. So if you're AFK, I'm sure everybody in here has AFK'd, walked away from their computer, came back only to find that you died somehow, and now because it's been more than 5 minutes, you lost all of your stuff. This is going to keep that from happening. Am I the only one in the stream right now? I believe so, but I'm not 100% sure. It does take a little bit to update sometimes. So that will basically teleport you away from the area that you died, but it teleports your dead body. It does not move the player at all. And yeah, teleports you right back. And that will keep all of your stuff from despawning. And it does not interfere with the player in any way, shape, or form. It's only teleporting the dead body, which is really cool. So what I wanted to change in this real quick, which I'll probably end up dying real quick, but we can, let's see. Go to middle screen, bring that up, and then we can bring this over. And this is the area here where you're going to change the code if you wanted it to put you at any different location. Right now it's sending you to 080, but by default this is going to be set to 0-200, but any player can change that to whatever they like. What I wanted to add into here though is something that I was thinking about, and that is it will send us all of this information, and then I can go back and retrieve my coordinates because it's in chat. But if something were to happen, such as the player leaving or getting kicked out and then coming back in, I'm fairly certain that it's going to clear the chat. Actually, I'm 99.9% sure it's going to clear the chat. So if we bring up chat, yeah. So if that happens, then we're not going to be able to find the location that we died, which is not good. We need to fix that. And the way that we're going to fix that, let's see, we already have that enabled. Good. Can I make a slime farm tutorial, please? Potentially. I will be honest, it's not on my top things to do. They're pretty straightforward and simple. Is there anything specific that you've been looking for? If I had to make a slime farm, I would probably make it fun. I would probably use like iron golems or something like that just to make it fun. So essentially what we need to do is go in here, and I want to make a new command to basically send the stored message here so it can pull it out of the code and send it in game. So let's start by taking one of these commands. We're just going to copy that down here and probably go down one more, paste that, and what should this command be? Last death location, LDL for short. And then we can player's last known death location. Okay, and we're going to want this in ticks, not quotes. That way we can use the, let's see, is, and then we can do new line. And what variable are we going to store that as? Last death location. Is a swamp better for slime farm than the slime chunks? It depends. If you want consistency for your slime farm, then the slime chunks is going to win every time. The slimes will only spawn in a swamp if it has a full moon, I believe. I'm 99% sure of that. And that does greatly limit it. The newest thing is whenever it's a full moon, you can basically have all of the slime spawn by bringing the light level up to 1 instead of 0, which will keep all the other mobs from spawning, but still allow the slimes to spawn. I have not personally tried that on Bedrock, so I don't know personally if that's going to be better. So, last death location, so, if the player is dead and has died, let's get the Discord notification out of the way there. Then we can set a variable here. Actually, let's set it up globally first. Probably under here. Let last death location equal I guess we'll put that in a string. Empty string. No last death recorded. We'll put that for now. I might go back and change that. And then I don't know if on put down here. No, make it a Vector 3 interface. Oh. Welcome in, Sign. Good to see you, buddy. So, last death location can equal, I guess I would need to do Will that work? I think that should work. Sign, do you know if I use ticks, if that will still come up as a string? Or do I need to maybe do this? I think if I do it this way, it should work, potentially. Maybe I got that backwards. Yes, I think I have that backwards. Now, put it in the right spot. No, definitely not right. Okay. See, I don't know if that's going to count as a string, though. It is a string? Okay. That's what I figured, but I wasn't 100% sure. So then we should just be able to do player.name. Actually, I think we should just be able to do that. Could work. I don't know. Probably not. We'll see. LOL. LDL. Okay, so that's coming up as last known death location. Oh boy, now we got Alien in here to troll us. You know, I leave it to where I don't have to invite my other accounts for testing. Please don't leak anything. Thank you, Captain Obvious. I appreciate that. You know what? No, he's in creative. Rats. Okay, so let's go up and splatter our face. And I only updated that code in what? That was, well, actually that was, should be both. Should work as both. Hi there. So if I do LDL, last death, or player's last known death location is Ars built died at, okay. That worked fairly well. Oh, look at that. I hate it when that happens. Rude. Player's last death location is the alien doctor died at 080 in dimension overworld. Okay, well, that was easy enough. It would appear that you outsmarted me. Wait, why? You know, this is the exact reason right here why there's not end portals in the just randomly placed in the overworld. I almost said why they're not in the overworld. It'd be cool. Oh, hi there. It'd be cool to be able to access, you might be able to. Ow. Yeah, no, it's not putting it inside of like a it's not putting it inside of like a oh, come on, brain no worky. Like a map. It's just putting it inside of like the regular interval. So I basically made that to where it's going to log the last person that died in the world. I mean, ideally, it'd be better to put it inside of a map. That way it can pull the variables. I've been experimenting with the maps. As you can see, I'm using maps up here if the player has died. So I'm learning a bit about them. But the thing with this is, if the player has died, the last death location is going to be able to tell you the last death location, but whenever the player dies, it's going to rewrite it. So it's going to show you the last player that died, which may or may not be good. And then new line. Why? Oh no. Oh, I love having Alien join my world. They add so much entertainment. You died out of... Okay, so if I do period LDL, I don't like how it puts a space in front of it. So let me fix that. New line in the dimension. Why is it putting a space there? And where is the space? Oh, I used the wrong one, didn't I? No, I didn't. It's right here. Okay, space is right there. Okay, so that should fix it. Is this the professional alien now? Oh boy. Splat. Okay, I died in the overworld. Skill issues, yeah. So LDL, and now it should be... It's broken. It's broken. So there's a space after the colon that I need to track down. Player's last death location. Oh, you know what it is? It's not even there. It's down. Down here? Yes, right here. Because I'm stupid. Oh, I know. It's affecting my it's affecting my OCD. I want it all to start on the same line. LDL. Okay, there. Now it all starts on the same line. Wonderful. But I don't know about having the player's name the same color text as the regular, though. What are you doing? You're just making floating trees? And, the next thing... Oh, I gotcha. Let me bring up chat so I can actually see what you're writing instead of that part. Oh, I gotcha. The next thing that I want to bring up is it free cam menu? I can't remember all these commands. I don't think I updated the free cam help screen either, did I? Free cam info. No. Oh, I think it's the free cam admin menu. I think is what I changed it to. or free cam admin? Is it all in camel case? No? What about this? There we go. I figure if I tried it enough, I would eventually get it. I think I changed it from camel case because I figured a lot of players would probably have an issue with that. And then cam menu is still the same. I added in a admin menu, that way we can actually change all of this in game on the fly, which is great. I also added in a tagging system. That way we can add, remove tags, we can list tags. Don't mind these, those are just kind of placeholders. So that will show whatever tags the players have in the game. And the free cam is now able to work. If you have another player around you that's still actively using free cam, they're not going to get all intermingled and steal control of each other's cameras, which is not good. And then another thing that I've added to the free cam mode is, well, actually let's show it in the menu first, is the player follow mode. So you'll notice these new blue asterisks here, and it's basically to correlate with player follow mode, so we can turn that on. And then it's going to set the player follow mode to whatever is stored inside of the X, Y, and Z. And this should actually be this one, not that one, so I'll have to fix that too. But yeah, that will put us into free cam follow mode, and it's a lot of fun. You know, fly all over the place and do whatever you want, and have a bunch of different cinematic features, which is pretty neat. You could change this on the fly. So if we wanted to do 10, I don't recommend doing this like while actively flying, because I've already killed myself multiple times doing it. But yeah, it's really cool and a lot smoother than I thought it would be, believe it or not. And I think that it's going to add a bunch of cinematic functionality to the game. In order to get out of this, you can just do not capital, no, caps lock, FCX, just to exit out of free cam, and that'll put you right back in there. You can also use FCF for free cam follow, and that'll put you back in the follow mode without having to go into the menu, which is really nice. And you can also exit out of this if you just wanted to go into free cam mode. However, I don't recommend it, because then you will probably crash and burn like I'm about to. Nope. Hey, break, pull up. Okay. Let's see. FCX. There we go. Oh, I didn't die, surprisingly. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of changes to the free cam, and I'm going to be changing all of these because the vast majority of these are using scoreboards in game. I want to make this more data driven, to where it's actually just storing values in the code instead of the scoreboards. The scoreboards are the reason why whenever you are using this menu here, say if I wanted to do 0, 0, and then say 50 blocks above the player, 90 degrees. So if you hit activate camera, it's not going to activate it to the one that I just set it to. You'll have to go down here and activate it again, which this was on the original showcase. And that's because whenever you send this in, it's storing the values, and then you have to access it again to read the values. So I'm going to change this away from the scoreboards, and that's going to make it to where you can just go down here, hit activate camera once, and then that will set it to the values here without having to constantly go in the menu and click it over and over and over again. So fun, fun, fun. Welcome in, Jason. You should make the info printing stuff UI buttons just to make it clear, or just to make it cleaner and less stuff in the UI itself. You should make the info printing stuff UI buttons. I don't know if I understand exactly what you're saying. Are you talking about in the menu here? Welcome in, GG. IP? You know, in VoiceCraft, how you have the UIs behind buttons. I think so. I'll have to look. I don't know if I've ever noticed it, to be honest. I do like the way that you have VoiceCraft set up, though. Alien still in here? Yes, he's still in here. Pagination system? Yeah, I'll have to look and see what you're talking about. And did I set this to global? Player last died. So maybe eventually I'll store values in a map. That way we can find the last player's location. Noob. Oh, it's still maybe because I reloaded it. So by default it sends the message to you, but if you do BC for broadcast global, then whenever I die now, this will actually come up on Alien screen along with everybody inside of this world, and it tells what player actually died, which is very nice. Can confirm. Cool. Yeah, the only thing that I need to check is spaces. I think I've gotten past the whole spacing issue and learned from my mistakes with Grumpy. But I'm going to probably change one of my account names to include a space. That way I can test it all in-house. Probably should store the player's last known death on the player itself. Yeah, that's what I figured. Maybe I'll change that before releasing this pack. That'd probably be the better way of doing it. Because it would kind of suck if... Because the reason why I wanted to do that is, I don't know if y'all caught it at the beginning of the stream, is it's great that it sends a message to you in chat, but Bedrock being Bedrock, if you were to full screen it or something and then you left... Oh, sorry, Alien, I didn't mean to just kick you. But if you just left... then you're like, oh, well, now I have no idea where I died. So I figured doing something like LDL, storing the last value, would end up keeping that. Now, right now it's saying no last deaths recorded because it reloaded the packs whenever I joined again. But inside of like a multiplayer world, that wouldn't happen. Are you seriously playing Minecraft right now? I think he's like he's in... Is he in survival? I can't tell. You're really playing Minecraft right now. Oh man. You would join one of my add-on pack testing worlds just to come in here and legitimately play Minecraft. That is awesome. Look out, I'm gonna kill you. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but this server's about to go down because I'm about to join on the Project Bedrock server. Do you have live share extension on VS Code? I have the live server extension. I don't know if yeah, of course you're promoting. I don't know if that's the same as what you're talking about. But I have the live share, that way whenever I'm doing like HTML or something, I can share it on a local web page and see what's updating in like real time. If that makes sense. Project Alien SMP. Bye, Alien! Before we do this, let's go in here and toggle these off. And I think I need to change this so I don't leak anything accidentally this stream. Global resources, we need to go down the list. 。 . 。  . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Welcome in, Dumb Tax. $10.23 aesthetics. What all different stems? I think this was the one that I was still using, right? Directional hoppers? No? No, I don't think that was. So we need the nicer rain, potion hider. This on for promotes. Markers pack. Define PBR. Yeah, I think I put all this together. Redstone, dust, PB painting, unobstructed, on that, hopper dropper, it's got all the good stuff in it, and one of the most important ones, the better server list. I hate scrolling through all of the servers. Look at all those packs from the Alien Doctor. Yes, you can find that on thealiendoctor.com. Welcome in, Moss. Good to see you, pal. I was potentially thinking of starting up a second channel of other games. And if I did this, the second channel would literally be hardly no editing. Like, it would literally be like some days streaming a different game, such as like Imperium or Grand Theft Auto or something like that. And this would be a non-PG channel. So you'd probably get more of the RS built IRL there instead of the edited RS built, if you can believe that. And it would be very low editing, so I would basically be dropping them into the channel as soon as they got done being recorded, for the most part. But it wouldn't be anything Minecraft related. It would just be all other stuff. So that's something that I've been thinking of doing. Thought about doing maybe an Imperium series, which is, if you're unfamiliar, it's a space game, very similar to Minecraft, but it's very in-depth. And they are getting ready to release Reforged Eden 2, which is an add-on to the game, which adds a ton of functionality. We got another promotion in here. What is with all of the horses? Holy glue factory, man. What is she doing? Is she breeding them over here? She must be breeding them over here. This is crazy. You know, we're gonna have a lot more chandeliers. That's all it comes down to. They're just gonna be hanging. I have not played Stardew Valley, no. I know a lot of people had high hopes for Starfield, and then Starfield was basically a total flop. Starfield, as in comparison to Imperium Reforged Eden, or just the regular base Imperium game, is just night and day. It's a great game. It's one of those games like Minecraft, where you could play and play and play, and there's so much stuff that you can do. There's a lot of PvP combat. You can build your own ships, build your own bases. It's a voxel-based game, so you're dealing in blocks just like this. And yeah, super cool. But of course me and Moss will jump on Grand Theft Auto every now and again. Sometimes myself, Moss, and GG will jump on other games like Call of Duty, Among Us, which, I mean, we really need to do an Among Us game soon. Just a bunch of different games like that. I feel like I would play different games more. Not that I would play Minecraft any less, because this channel is and has always been my main concentration. But the difference would be is that I like to play different games outside of Minecraft to avoid burnout. And right now I play those off of camera. So if I were to do the second channel, then it would be on camera and you guys would be involved. As long as there's an interest there. I really want to do a Project Bedrock Among Us stream with Prox Chat. Yes. We have so... What are you doing over here? Really, dude? Okay. You're harvesting the carrots. Okay. Housekeeping. Well, thank you. I thought that you were going to put like beetroot there or something. Yeah, I love Among Us. That's, I told my wife, I'm like, you have to play Among Us with us. It's so much fun. And the best part is that it's such a simple game. And you look at games like that and you're like, man, I could have come up with that and I could have been a millionaire from it. Such a simple game, such a simple concept to it. And, it's basically like drawings. You know, it looks like something that one of my kids would draw and put together. But the gameplay makes it so entertaining and so much fun, especially whenever you're doing it with your friends. And your friends are along the same caliber as my friends are. No, man, it's always guaranteed to be a good time. Especially if it's after hours and you got a couple drinks involved. Moss trying to get my wife on the next one. Yeah, I told mine that she needs to play it with us. Definitely needs to. It'd be so much fun. But the nice thing is that you can just play it on mobile. I think it's cross-platform, isn't it? You're in Discord? Okay. Well, hi there, Gigi. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello.
Ow!
Oh, there's two of you.
Well, hi there, alien.
Hello.
I love how the bridge is coming. The stream people are getting a little preview here of all of the crazy shenanigans and also the bridge that is going in.
Need a few blocks down in the lakes to like make them blend better. I need to go get something.
Oh, I like it. I'm really bothered by this grass block here, but I feel like it's marking something.
It is.
Don't touch it. Okay, I won't touch it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna move it.
Work out okay?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna move
Level?
it. Yeah, yeah. It's right at the perfect level. Yeah, I like it.
Y90, so.
That's so framey.
Chat works on like all platforms. Among Us.
Trying.
Yes.
I already read that.
Yeah.
It's kind of like
Sorry, I was just replying to Boss's message.
Yeah, the prox chat is too, except maybe Apple. Yeah, I don't know anything about that.
Oh, yeah, I forget about Apple.
Do we have jobs except for YouTube? Well, I mean, that really depends.
Oh.
There's a lot of us that are full-time content creators, but then we have others such as Sign Vector, which is Terminator that just left. He's in college or university, and then Alien's in college or university as well.
Yep.
Then there's others like Moss Logic, which is a member. He works full time, and then he does this on the side. We have multiple others. Eladrium, he, I believe, is a software developer or software engineer. So he works full time. Merely Adequate, he works full time. Myself, I am a stay-at-home dad for the time being. However, I'm in the process of going back to work. So it just really all depends who you're asking.
I'm retired.
Moss is a network engineer. Yeah, so he's the one that I go to whenever nothing's working. I'm like, Moss is broken, fix it.
Take his shovel away.
Take his shovel away, yeah. I need food. Take my shovel away. No. Take aliens away. That way he stops carving inside of my stone. Or his pickaxe,
We did
rather.
that last stream, and
Yeah.
it's taken you an entire week to notice. Wow.
No. I noticed last stream.
Oh, okay.
I haven't really been on. And I leave stuff like that. That way I can do a clip and record it.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Read your message. Oh, sorry about that sign. That was a ways up there, wasn't it? Live share allows me to code on your project in real time. Oh, really? That's cool. That'd be
Yeah, it's
really...
one of the like 80-something extensions I have.
That would be actually really cool. That way you can do like collaborating and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That could be actually really, really handy for even like IRL for some of my buddies, because I got some buddies that are learning how to do programming. Now, of course, they're stuck on the Python train. I'm trying to get them off of the Python train, but still, it could be really cool to collaborate on a project together. Dumbtax says, "Man, you guys do a lot. I hope I will be as productive as you guys." Yes, the biggest thing is setting your mind to something and sticking to it. A lot of people realize how much hard work it's going to take, and then they're like, "Oh, well, I don't know if I want to do all that." But you got to wake up every day, and you have to push yourself every single day to make it happen. Procrastinating gets you nowhere. And I'm procrastinating about food. I need food. You know, did you happen to put those carrots over here by chance? Or did you take them?
I may or may not be in the process of crafting some golden carrots for myself.
I'll bring you over some carrots.
Oh, you're so sweet.
But I've got some of my own freshly grown carrots. There you go. Okay, that works too.
I'll go grab some more from my base. Alien, do you need some?
I think I'm good. Hang on.
You sure?
Oh my goodness, there is like, you get so little when you're like manually crafting them. Okay, I may need some. Thank you.
Yeah, I know. Repeating one of my messages. Was there more? Like a Billy Mays commercial.
Oh, wait.
There's more. Yeah. Do you honestly have the time? I don't have the time. No need to thank
I mean,
me.
my argument for like doing second channel stuff was like, I'm gonna be playing other games anyway. Why not like record or stream it?
Yeah, and that's kind of where I'm at. Because a lot of people don't realize how much you have to like dip in and out of Minecraft from time to time, because you get burnout if you don't.
Exactly.
Like, I love Minecraft, but it's like anything that you do repetitive over and over straight, you're going to get burnout. You know, so you have to jump away from it from time to time.
Luckily, on a server like this, though, you get inspiration from your server mates. So it makes it a lot easier to prevent burnout for Alien.
Yes, I agree. And
Thank you.
to be honest, guys, there's a lot of time that you guys don't see on streams or video recording to where we just jump on and screw off with each other. Like, we just...
A lot of time.
And that by itself avoids, like, you don't have to use your brain. Like, I don't have to sit here and rack my brain like, oh, how am I going to design this? What kind of color palette am I going to use? It's more like logging on and being like, licking a window, like you don't even have to activate your brain cell.
Never heard of that place before.
My favorite color is clear.
Yeah. Oh, this is why we love you, GG. I am a big fan of clear myself. Oh. Gigi's mic is a little low. Okay, I can turn her up. Crank her volume to the max. As soon as I remember how to. Okay.
I'm now slightly scared to release my next episode because there's an unintentional amount of GG slander, and I've already seen what's happened to your base with the horses. So
yeah. Yeah. I don't even know. Like, could you imagine
You're welcome.
Could you imagine the death messages that are going to be in Discord?
yes.
You imagine how
seems with
badly I'm
pirates.
gonna cry when I see those?
Oh,
There's so
Oh.
much work in. I built this bridge
Right.
so I can just bring them across. Do you know how many hours I worked on this bridge?
this is a nice
To make
bridge.
the horses delivery so much easier.
You know,
How
hopefully.
could somebody kill them after all that effort?
A lot of work. I gotta go all the way over to my base.
Easy, like
The
this.
horses, get the leads, bring them over here. Find a place to put them.
No.
Not easy.
Wow, you're even okay.
Dude. You know what you should do is put a horse head on your head.
That's what this is.
I know.
Wait.
But it looks like you. Hey, maybe it would look
What's an
better if
epic
it was
joke
the
that I
other
got
end of
first
the horse
time?
on your head.
Yeah, right. Let me bring. Okay, Science says, and YouTube is not sending my messages. Yeah, I was trying to figure out why. Because I thought that I read all of them, but I guess not. Are you going to upload your?
Sorry, you go.
Are you going to upload your FreeCam add-on to your GitHub? Yes, I do plan on adding that to GitHub eventually. GitHub is still pretty daunting to me. I really need to sit down. I've watched a few videos on the functionality of GitHub and how to use it, but it's going to take a little learning for me, which is why I haven't done it yet. But I do plan on doing that very soon. I'm going to be adding like my GitHub link to my website and all that stuff too, which is another thing that I need to finish doing.
You can host your downloads through GitHub as well. I can't remember how you host them now, but all of mine go through GitHub.
Now, does that just involve like redirecting to the page link and then just going to the releases?
So when you click on the link, it just gets the file from GitHub. Like, it doesn't open a separate GitHub page or anything. That file is just...
Oh, that would be
GitHub.
cool.
So when you click the link, it just starts the download.
That would be cool, because the reason why I haven't really put it on GitHub yet is because a lot of people can't figure out GitHub.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I mean, it's
thing is,
not the most user-friendly.
Yeah, for sure. It is definitely a learning curve.
Yes.
The other thing is...
Sign, I do
I'm not
have
sure-
GitHub desktop. Sorry, Alien.
What even is GitHub desktop for? I don't understand.
It's literally GitHub on your desktop. Like, you don't have to be in a web page and stuff, and you can push everything from it and make changes from it.
Ah, but here's where I have one of my 80-something Visual Studio Code extensions that lets me do that all within Visual Studio Code.
Oh, really? Or it just pushes it from that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like once I get that all figured out and stuff, it's going to be a lot more efficient. Rather than the way that
honestly,
I'm doing it now.
I just use it even if like it's something private that I'm not releasing. Because then if I'm like working on my laptop, I can like easily move over to my PC and it will just sync because of GitHub.
Well, I thought that you couldn't have a private repository unless you had the paid GitHub. Is that incorrect?
Nope. No, I got loads of private repositories.
So, okay. All right. Well, that's even better.
Like, basically any project I make will start out as private because I don't want to make it public if it never ends up like being a thing.
Right, yeah.
So yeah.
Sign says he uses GitHub desktop because he messes with C languages. Does that have to do with compiling them, Sign? I'm assuming? Do you ever feel like Dark Fury or Dark Knight Fury sitting here like removing half of the world? I don't want to give away spoilers for her, but I really want to go over there and look at her base because it looks really cool.
I've been looking at it too. It's pretty awesome.
I have not seen it yet. I am now flying over there.
Science says no, just some IDEs that I don't have GitHub built in. Oh, cool. Okay, well, there's only 6 people in here, so I don't think she'll stab me for only 6 people. Yeah, we all need to get together and do a... Whoa, that's cool looking. We really need to get together and do a Among Us game. It's been far too long since we've done that.
Yeah, for sure.
That's true.
I need some stabby in my life. Is this all quartz?
What? A lot of it is.
Holy cow. He is crazy. He's a mad lad.
There's some white concrete too.
Wow,
Yeah.
cheaped out on the dirt.
Cheaped out on... Wait, now how do you cheap out on the dirt?
Because dirt is... it's...
It could have been quartz,
I know what
but
I
it's not. No, cheaped out on the quartz. It's probably just for block variation. Whee! Hey, can I ride one of these? Oh no!
Uh-oh.
I didn't know it was going to remove it from my chandelier.
What?
Okay.
Wait, people's
Nothing.
heads are in here.
Nothing to see here.
Not my head.
Oh no.
Not you!
Oh, I need to kill you.
No!
Surely
That.
for every one
Sorry.
horse he kills, you have to bring him 2 back.
Don't kill me yet, because I was going to
That would
record.
help.
I was going to record that, and I was going to post a picture on the next episode of what I did and everything. Yeah, don't kill me yet. It's going to be great.
Boss is here.
Woo!
The Moss Boss.
I
It's been a
believe
while since I spoke to us.
I believe in self accountability, and I take it and turn it into just something fun. That was my idea for it. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, which you probably don't because this was like an in-house thing on the Project Bedrock server, some idiot at my residence, not naming any names, that definitely was not me, Gigi, was replanting their pineapple plant, and kind of went down through the fiber optic cord that went into Built's residence that supplied the internet to the entire Project Bedrock server, because I have the server locally in my residence. And yeah, I think we lost almost 24 hours of server time because of that moron that decided to
First built.
stop correcting me.
I mean...
That moron that decided to slash the fiber optic cable.
Hey, Moss.
One thing that I will tell you is fiber optic cables with a shovel. Not that I know anything about this because I've never once cut a fiber optic cable in half with a shovel, but I've heard stories that fiber optic cables, you don't even know that you're cutting through them. They get cut in half like butter. It's not like a coax cable where you really have to work at it.
Fiber optics, man. It's just a piece of glass wrapped in like just like some really thin shielding.
Yeah, definitely.
That's why like whenever you see them rolled up, you know, like people say like, yeah, don't roll them up and try to bend them.
Sign, you're not helping in chat, man. Yeah, well, I didn't know that until this.
The name starts with an R and ends with an S.
I did not know that until this individual that did it actually cut it in half. When that happened, yeah, I learned something new.
I mean, there's a little dust in here.
Oh, it wasn't RS built. Oh, sorry, it was XRS built X. Yes, I remember now.
No. That XRS built X dude is not. He has no connection with the RS built YouTuber.
The name starts with an X, ends with an X.
You know, XRS built is like easy to say, but then when you add the X on the end, it feels so forced. Like XRS built X.
Well,
Like-
I ended up removing it because I had so many people. Like, I would just go to like people's stream and they would pronounce it XRS built, and I'm like, no, stop
Yeah.
pronouncing it like that. So I don't know. I don't know why I originally did it. I think I did it originally because I think RS built was originally taken on Xbox or something. I don't know. I can't remember.
I think it is on YouTube as well, because I once typed in the
Yes.
URL and it was not your channel.
Yes, it is.
I think somebody has a car channel like with.
Yeah, I don't know if it's I think it's like some kind of like performance car channel or something. But
Which isn't bad.
unfortunately, they had the name first, so I can't be like, hey, can you change your name?
I would.
I mean, I could, but it probably wouldn't do any good. Plus, their business looks like it's a lot larger than mine.
They would probably be like, "Yes, sir, I will absolutely do that right away."
Yeah.
Just get the person that cut your fiber optic cable and get them to cut that guy's fiber optic cable.
Go ahead and cut their fiber optic cable. Whoever this person is, they cut fiber optic cable seems to be pretty good at it.
Yeah, it was just one slash, I'll tell you what. And the worst part is when it happened, this particular individual was like, I wonder whose cable I just cut. Didn't even realize that it was his own.
That guy is dumb.
I
I said that out loud.
Who laid this cable here?
Yeah, I think that they were secretly hoping that it was like a long forgotten cable that was put there in the past and just not in use anymore, or potentially maybe their neighbor's cable that ran through their yard or something. But yeah, it indeed was not. It indeed.
The Discord message sound goes off like crazy.
Yeah, well, after this said person cut it in half, I proceeded to go into my house and look at my desktop and noticed a little globe with an X through it. And that was followed up by a really long, drawn-out word that starts with F and ends with K.
Fork.
Yeah,
Say fork.
well, I will tell you, it indeed was not fork. Definitely not fork. And that was followed up by my wife saying, "What's wrong, honey?" Like, I don't want to talk about it. Yeah,
All right,
so-
it's time to go through my nether portal and pray.
Oh yeah, I need to go fix that for you.
Yeah, I was planning on fixing it when I started working more on.
Oh, do we got sign in chat too? Yeah,
Yes.
welcome in, sign.
Just-
Hello.
Oh, there he is. Oh no! I'm dead.
Tell me to look down.
Uh-oh.
Like, I
Oh
was
no.
If only you had XRS built X's add-on that said your death coordinates.
I know where my death coordinates is. Right at the portal where. Oh no, where did I spawn at?
Can I
Jeez,
come and
new
help you?
add-on.
I'm
Spawn
in the
coordinates.
clouds. Come on. Oh wait! Come on. Where am I? I don't know where I'm
Here.
at. I am.
Let's go find Moss.
Oh, there I am. Oh, they're all walking. It's funny. I didn't even use my gold farm.
Yeah, we're going to have to put together a charity fund for donations for a new server.
All right. Well,
How much
let's
would it cost?
see.
Or actually, how much would? I'm not sure how much it would cost. The new DDR4.
New DDR4. It's like, yeah, I just
DDR
upgraded the
4.5.
yeah, I just updated the DDR4, but it's still old. But I don't know if I would update the DDR5 yet. I like to give it at least a couple years since it's been out.
I don't think it would be necessary for now.
Yeah, probably
Like,
not.
With the price that you'd probably have to spend as well. Like,
Oh yeah, since it's the latest and greatest, it's like skyrocketed on price.
so would that be like the next upgrade then? You think?
Gotta go grab my
As
stuff.
far
Like,
as-
if you just happen to like win the lottery or something, like would that be the next thing you'd upgrade?
Grab my stuff because I'm dead.
The next thing that I would upgrade, well, yeah, if I had the extra money, yeah, I would definitely upgrade it. Just because it's
Worth it, to be honest.
huh?
I don't think it's worth it at the moment.
Well, yeah, but I mean, just for
Well, I just meant like DDR4, just like the RAM in general.
well, I mean, I would have to change out the whole PC because it's a DDR3 system.
Yeah.
I don't even, yeah, I'm fairly certain DDR4 has a different slot configuration than the DDR3 does anyways. I would just do it more for like quality of life more than anything. This the reason why I built this, because it's an Optiplex 990 small form factor. The reason why I ended up building this one is because I honestly didn't know how it was going to turn out. So I'm like, well, I want to put together a server that way I don't have to, you know, pay a hosting provider monthly. But at the same time, I don't know if this thing's going to take off, so I really don't want to invest a ton of money into it, only for, you know, me not to be able to find server members. So it just really all depends. But one thing that I will tell you, for this old Optiplex, I think it performs great for what it is. I mean, especially having as many add-ons as we have, and then having the amount of players that we have playing.
The only times I notice it lagging is like when I've like remoted into it and I'm waiting for like file transfers or something. Like honestly, in game, I would say it's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Like most
Not for me, though. Not for
That
me.
might be a ping thing though.
Oh yeah, I mean,
Same thing. I was on like when there were only RS and Alien on. Well, new RS and Alien, and it was a lot faster for me.
yeah, it seems like it's a lot faster with the least players on, and I think that's probably add-on related on one of my add-ons. I think it might have to do with the streaming and recording pack, the overlay. So I'm going to make some changes to that, because it's running a pretty... I don't think it's running a heavy loop, but I've noticed that nobody really uses the flashing icon above the player's name. So I think I'm going to change that to where it's off by default, not utilizing that loop. And
what I think you should do is still have it as a loop, but use a run job thing.
A thing? A run job thing.
a doohickey?
Oh,
That
Doohickey.
thingamabobber.
A thingamabud. A jig.
What
A
a
thingamajig.
run job does is it's like a co-routine.
Okay.
So it's almost like a second thread, but it's still running on the main thread.
Okay.
And what it does is just like
You can't hear
pauses
sign.
the loop. It pauses the loop at some parts.
Oh, sugar shell.
So like you could say that, oh well, you could pause the loop at this certain line, and then let the server run the next tick or something like that. That's what you can do.
Okay. Yeah, because basically what I was doing is basically checking if a player had a certain tag and then running the interval. But I think it's still running an interval to check if the player has a tag is the thing. You're welcome, Renee. If that makes sense.
I don't think the pig's got any of my stuff. I got... Oh, looks like I got all my
Morning,
armor.
Renee.
I'm trying to
Hello.
find some lava.
Oh, morning, Renee.
I can't find any.
I'm dead.
If you need lava, I got a little lava farm over here. That's very, very useful. Extremely useful. One of the best farms.
I need it
Don't
specifically for
Rockets.
obsidian, because I'm going to move the portal.
Okay.
Rock.
There's an obsidian farm at the bottom too, but it's kind of slow. Probably better off just going to the end. Actually, if
You know what? I think you'd be better off going to the Nether for lava.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm
it's
not.
pretty
I'm
useless.
that's. I can't mine obsidian in one go, so I might as well just go to the end.
how much of that obsidian do you need?
Like not a lot. I was thinking of stylizing the portal, but making it bigger than what it is.
I was gonna say I could go take down a pillar for you.
I think I
I've got some obsidian I can give you.
think I have some. Yeah,
Someone did do pillar.
I just don't know where it's at. That's always the problem with me.
Now I
It's
gotta
like I
fly.
have it. I know I have it. It's just a matter of where do I have it.
What in the world is going on with my?
I mean, I found 2 pieces of obsidian.
I have 44.
Yeah, that will be more than enough.
Oh.
Where are you? I'll bring it to you.
In the nether, in the middle of the nether tunnels.
Okay.
So if you give
If you
Sign
see me,
all
I'm
of your...
wearing some gear. I think I got all my gear back though. Stupid. jerks.
What was
If
that,
we give
alien?
sign what?
If you give Sign all of your obsidian, does that mean you won't be able to replace the portal corners anymore?
No, I'll get more obsidian.
Okay.
Oh, she'll replace
Don't
those
worry.
corners
Just
with
wondering.
We'll make sure everything is all fixed
Obsidian
up
in the world.
nice.
So what happens if I get rid of all the lava in the world, all the water in the world, and the ant pillars?
Good luck.
That sounds like you are definitely have a huge
Render.
commitment.
Hello, world.
Hey.
There you go.
This season on Project Bedrock,
Good.
I spent the entire season doing a prank.
It's the best kind of prank.
A well thought out one.
You know, the problem is that wouldn't even really work because you can refill cauldrons in the rain and you can refill lava. I guess you would have to remove every lava farm, wouldn't you?
Well, I'd get Alien Bot to do the rain dance on the crafting table.
Wouldn't it be easier just to make?
Really?
Wouldn't it just be easier to make a pack that would just continuously fill her portal corners with air?
I
At
swear
that,
that house
at
came out
that
middle of
location.
nowhere.
Well, yeah, but
Ew.
Render, please, render.
Just
then I'd
my
have to
portal.
add it to the server.
Yeah, right.
I
Yeah.
was trying to do the legit way, but I mean that works too. I mean, if we're
Moss.
going there, like, I mean, I could just install a hacked client.
Yeah, right.
Moss, I need your opinion. Should I build a portal here, or should I build it like further up somewhere?
Wait, what?
Over
Build
here.
a portal where?
Not that. Why are you going in the portal?
Oh.
I think the biggest issue with the server
Well,
that
I
we
gotta-
run
I
into
gotta
is
go
that
build the
loading
big
issue.
one. They got my stuff, I think. I don't know if they have
Oh,
my
okay.
stuff. Well, I got some. Yeah, I died. You know, the whole linking. You know, the
Reach
linking.
out if you need help.
No, I got these guys. I'm coming in from behind. Just like I like.
Oh.
To do. Where
I feel like this is taking forever.
it is. It doesn't feel like
Yeah.
it. It actually is taking forever.
Why
Oh,
do
they're
I?
all gone. They must have not been wearing. Okay, I think I got all my stuff. Must have got all my
Good.
stuff. What happened to my? No! Don't go through.
Oh, I was too far from the beacon.
Oh my god. Yeah, let's see. I don't know what happened to my ender chest though. What did I lose? Okay, I didn't really lose much of anything. Okay. Anyways. Alright, hold on, I'll come back and give my opinion about your portal thing.
I don't know if I should do one layer at a time or what.
Do you have any flint and steel?
I have to say.
I did. I think I might have put it inside of the chest.
Oh, look, an ad.
Oh, I've got one on me.
Random carrots? Thanks, pal.
I would just like to say that my portal tunnel is
Were you
fun.
coming over to burn all of my carrots in front of me?
Yes.
No, I don't burn carrots.
Okay. Thankfully. I was gonna
He
be
just
sad.
burns bread.
Yeah, my Discord haven't started a cult yet, don't worry.
Oh, look, a portal.
Oh,
Let's see. Oh,
Bilt,
flint.
I meant
Thank
to
you.
ask you, do you
Hang
know
on.
what these banners are supposed to be?
I have no idea. I noticed them
There we go.
myself.
That's for Gigi.
Is it?
Redstone torches.
Okay, fair enough. But I want it to be civilized.
We'll just leave it floating there too. I mean, the corner is really not missing. The obsidian is still there. It's just floating there.
I just want the obsidian.
The banners are supposed to be redstone
Take up the other
torches?
three corner.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to go and look. I didn't look at them that close, to be honest.
I'm messing with obsidian. I gotta turn on my beacon.
It looks so good.
Oh, I totally get it now. That's cool. That's awesome. I didn't even put two
How
and two
many ads we're
together.
gonna play.
Whilst you're here, I found some Whilst you're here, I found some contraband in your chests.
I need wood.
Where?
You almost caught my face on fire, dude.
Wait,
No!
This is your chest.
do you like? This
That
is
is-
giving me so many ideas.
That's brutal.
Wait a minute.
Where's my wood?
Let's see.
Oh, I have a lot
Oh,
of equipment.
Cobblestone.
I gotta go enchant mine.
Ooh, deep place stars. Actually, I'll use that.
I'm not like afraid to use my gold farm now because every time I go through my portal, I'm gonna get mashed. But I'm gonna fix that.
I wonder if anybody's made the mace yet on here.
Oh,
I don't think we have access
Oh, I
to the
didn't know
heavy
you
core
could.
yet, do we?
I thought so.
How do you even craft it?
You have to have breeze rods, so technically we're not supposed to be able to due to our agreement, but because people's been in there, I don't know if they had blaze rods. Mace?
I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to stylize this.
oh,
Yeah, heavy core and a breeze rod.
stairs. No.
Try doing something.
Here, how about
like-
this?
No.
Perfect. Dude, that is so beautiful.
Welcome in,
Oh my
Dark.
God.
Welcome to
No.
the stream. We're in Discord. Do you want to join the call?
She's usually the first one on Discord.
Yeah, I know.
Last one on Discord.
She's usually always just hanging out in here. I'm always like, well, if I need a friend, I can
Let's
always
go,
go and talk to Dark because I know she's gonna be in Discord.
She's a good one to talk to because she's so funny.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't work out, does it? Oh, that's too wide. That looks ugly.
You don't have to tell me that to my face, man.
I'm talking about the portal.
This music reminds me of Zelda.
I don't even hear music.
On stream.
Okay, actually,
Oh yeah, that's right. I turned the stream off. For a
Thanks,
reason.
pal.
Well, no, I mean I'm watching. I can't have the volume up. I mean, here you want. Okay, here I'll turn
So
it back
you
on.
don't
No,
want two
no.
There
RS
twice.
in your hit?
Echo,
What is
echo, echo.
where's
There,
the
look.
crafting
Oh,
table?
don't blame
That's
me.
for reverb.
Echo, echo, echo.
Woohoo!
Don't start that again.
Subdualian.
All right, where is Bilta Streets?
It's where are you at on the path?
Oh, I never even saw this tunnel. This must be Alien's tunnel.
Alien has a tunnel.
I'm now hanging upside down for some reason.
Oh, it's so cool. I like that. I like the skulk on the roof.
GG,
I
why
have to say-
why is my beacon pink?
I have to say that my nether tunnel is on point.
I like pink.
Oh,
Did you just hit that? Look at that parrot swing, man.
No, it's been like that for ages.
Can we,
It's
can we
great.
change the name of Biltastries to Fishastries?
No.
There's a
We
lot of
should.
fish there.
Fishy business. Fishy. Fish.
Is it so long and thanks for all the fish?
You know, if Buckee keeps that up, then I'm going to give him all that fish back and more. Are you trying to catch me on fire?
I'm
You want help with
making it a
that?
little interesting. It's a
Anybody
classic
else
RS
catch
built
that
stream
joke?
with Moss and Alien messing with fire.
Ow!
I'll save you.
I promised myself that this was going to be a productive stream.
I cannot stylize my
Title says otherwise.
Good idea.
You're like, hey everybody, I'm gonna stream today if you want to show up.
Yeah, right?
Oh no,
Mistake-
please
mistake
don't
number
do
one.
anything unproductive.
I'm
Yeah.
helping. Those
And
two
just
blocks
I
are
can
off.
just assume if I want to stream, nothing's going to get done. Well, I removed like 3 stacks of stuff. That was productive.
How about this boat? I want to get in it.
If you get in it, it may break the lead.
Okay.
Wait, what happened to your face?
It's moss.
That's my favorite one.
You're right, it broke the lead.
You can't move them with players in, which is such a shame.
You look like the guy off of Waterboy.
Mm-hmm. Made it funny. Let's see. Where's the lead at? I think I have the lead. Here, hang on. I'll get it.
Oh crap. Oh, what was I gonna do?
Oh, here goes the runaway train again.
I'm not saying anything bad.
Oh no.
I've been
I'm gonna
doing
be
really
careful
good.
next time.
Oh,
My
now I
husband thinks I'm sick.
Oh, jeez. I put the.
What'd you
lead on.
say? Your husband thinks what?
I'm sick because I've been trying not to say bad words. What the F is wrong with you?
Yeah. I would think that you're sick if I saw you not saying bad words too. Like, Gigi's not herself lately. I hope everything's okay.
You got it on the...
What?
That honestly looks more harsh.
I know. Isn't that great? You're welcome.
You're a part of the Parrot Alliance too.
What? He's safe.
Oh. Wow.
At least he's got wings.
Red
Now
Bull?
he has entertainment. I can go up, I can go down, I can go up, I can go down.
What are you guys doing to my parrot?
I don't know. So your parrot?
Yes.
I don't see your name on it. Does it say sub to alien?
Does it? You know what? It should. Thanks
you know
for
what?
the idea.
You're right, it should.
Yeah, that
Take care
works.
of
Bill, do you have a name tag?
Probably.
that. We're gonna name tag his parrot with his name tags.
Makes sense. Oh, you do. Thank you. Why are
Like,
they
hey,
titled?
You have any
Yeah.
TNT? I'm gonna blow you up.
It was for the gold farm.
So
First.
not gluten-free or girlfriend. Okay.
No.
For your girlfriend.
What about gluten-free girlfriend?
That doesn't sound nice.
That
at
would
all.
be handy.
Sounds like a Morrissey song.
Oh.
My girlfriend is gluten free. I'm gonna do something.
Okay.
Slip my wrist in the bathtub.
Oh, that doesn't sound PG, Moss.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
I mean, the standards of PG on your streams has dropped.
Morrissey should
I
not
think-
be.
I'm trying to do better, man. I'm trying to do better.
I feel like I'm Solidarity Gaming, where he just like shouts PG every time somebody starts saying stuff that isn't.
I love how everybody has
I feel
to
like
go
I'm
up.
the equivalent of that right now.
I love how everybody has to go up
Wow.
to Azuma and like the first things out of their mouth is I'm recording or I'm streaming. See, watching Azuma's videos, I never realized that Azuma had such a potty mouth until that actually happened, and I'm like, oh, he must talk like I do. But
Wait, something happened?
well, whenever I think it was Escal went up and he's like, oh, I'm streaming, so don't say. And he's like, don't curse or something. I can't remember what he said,
Oh, okay.
but it was hilarious.
I thought we accidentally did a GG.
I don't know. The scar puns are always good,
Couldn't get his mic working.
especially when he does it around Cleo, and then Cleo's like Scar.
Yeah.
Cleo's one of those people that if I knew her, I would have to constantly pick on her.
I like Cleo.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
It's just somebody that's fun to pick on because they take it well, they respond well, and just overall always turns into a good time.
Mhm.
No, but extra button.
How far
for
down
people
do you
that
want
can't play things.
Bedrock?
I love how that's everybody's like first assumption.
Who joined Discord
The
Dark?
Fury of the Dark Knight.
Hey,
Did.
dog.
Welcome in, Dark.
Hello.
So we got a full house in here. When are we gonna do some stabby?
Oh.
I uninstalled Among Us. Not gonna lie.
Oh!
You know what? I think I did as well, purely because it doesn't work on my PC, but I can just play on my laptop, so it's not a big issue.
Why doesn't it work on your PC?
I don't know, and I have spent like so long trying to work it out. I've uninstalled it, I've reinstalled it, I've installed it on different drives, I've Googled, I've Binged, I've DuckDuckGo'd, nothing.
You could always potentially run it on BlueStacks. I don't know how the
I've got it
gameplay
on my
would be.
laptop, so like if need be, I can just plug that into my capture card, and then the audio I can get from my GoXLR. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I need to get a capture card. That way I can do like the other games like I was talking about. Like it's great. It's great with just on the computer, but if I wanted to do something like you did Tears of the Kingdom, I can't do that on the computer for obvious reasons.
I don't know if anybody watched Foxy's setup tour video that he did a while back, but honestly, that would be like how I'd love to do it. Have like my main computer set up, and then next to it, just like an armchair type thing and a TV.
Yeah.
And a mic set up for the console gaming type stuff.
Can I say how?
I feel like console gaming is designed for comfort.
Yeah. Yeah,
It is.
it's definitely not the efficient way of doing it for sure. But one thing I will say with Foxy is his new videos, the way that he's been doing it, they look so good, and I look for him to probably skyrocket past most of the other Bedrock content creators with the way that he's doing it now. Like he's grown.
Not that he counts as a Bedrock content creator at the moment, but yeah.
Well, yeah, that's a very valid point, and maybe that's the reason for his growth too, behind the scenes. Hard to say, but I know that he's putting a lot more effort into editing his videos. So I don't know. I've thought about it, but I'm like, can I be that disciplined? Like I already take long. I take long enough to get a video out as is. I feel like if I did that, it would be like a video per every 3 months.
Yeah.
I'd spent a week and a half on my new one, and you wouldn't be able to tell. You'd probably be like, "Oh, look, he worked on that for like a couple minutes."
And half of that was just DaVinci loading.
I used to spend about a week like recording and editing each episode, like just under, because I would release them every week typically. But like recently, pretty much since joining, well actually no, just since the start of this year really, it's ended up being more like an entire month. That's obviously because I'm busy with other stuff as well, but my editing quality, if you like, has gone up as well.
Right.
I think I'm really trying to make it better, I guess.
More better, as Moss would say.
Well,
I think
the correct way.
Foxy doing create definitely does help because there's like a big audience for it at the moment. But I think you can still do a lot of the things like editing stuff that he does on Bedrock and still like do better.
Yeah.
I don't think his current success is solely because of create, but it definitely does play a part.
Yeah, I don't look for Foxy to come back to Bedrock, and I hate to say that, but I don't think he will now since he's making add-ons for create and stuff. And
yeah,
just like on the add-on showcase by itself, like the ability of making better add-ons for Java, it's everything that Bedrock add-on creators want, because it's so irritating trying to find workarounds for add-ons, because it's like, well, I don't have access to this and I can't get access to that, like they haven't added that yet. So it's like there's so much potential there, but we're limited by what Mojang has yet to add, or if they're going to add it to begin with.
for sure. And I think the other thing with people like Foxy, he's been doing like Bedrock for so long.
Yeah.
Like he, at the end of the day, has put given Bedrock a lot of patience and put up with a lot of the like dumb stuff. So I don't know. I'm not like super annoyed, because some people get really passionately annoyed.
Well, that's because they care.
Like a Bedrock creator anymore.
That's because they care about themselves. They don't care about Foxy and what his desires are.
Exactly. And the other thing is, like, it is his job, and he obviously, as unfortunate as it may be, he needs to make money.
Yeah.
And if this is what's working for him, then he's kind of got to do it, because it's just society.
Well, I've always had the utmost respect for Foxy. He's done a ton to help me out and help me work through different add-on issues that I had. And you don't find a lot of big creators that will actually extend a branch and take the time to actually help out somebody as small as I am. So that was really cool, and for that reason, I really do like Foxy a ton. But Foxy was more than upfront about it. And released inside of his video, he's like, I got to the point to where I just didn't want to recorder anymore, and now that he's doing create, he's like, I'm actually looking forwards to playing, and like I can't put down the game whenever I'm recording create because I enjoy it so much, and I think that's really important, you know?
Yeah, and it definitely shines through in his videos, I think.
Yeah.
And,
Wait, am I the only one taking down all this stuff here? Did you want to go this far down? I don't even know what you want.
I think it's
Y90.
Yeah.
Why 90?
Yes.
I'm at 95. Got it. Except
anyone want
there's a bunch
to
of trash here because my inventory is full, as it should be.
anyone want to look at the new portal placement in the meadow?
So he said Y -9. Got it.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
You guys dig as far as you want, and then I'll just build a false lair over it.
Oh, that'd be fun. Let's do that.
Pop farm.
It'll be like the Doc M77 perimeter.
Well, let's break out the TNT. Who's got the
Nothing
slime?
ever goes wrong when we do that.
No, never. Hey, you know, there is a shop that sells end crystals, just saying.
Yeah. Well, I was initially using in crystals.
Okay.
I just wish that we didn't have to put the obsidian down to blow up in crystals. But if we didn't, then it would blow a hole up like TNT.
Well, can you put the obsidian down and then get rid of the obsidian, or that does not work?
Yeah, you can. Because you can push an end crystal with a piston.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Or at least you used to be able to. I don't know if you can still do it.
No, I think you can actually.
Yeah, I'd assume you can. That's how you used to remove like the portal frames
in gateway, yeah.
And farm bedrock.
Mm-hmm. Or sand duping.
Back in ye old days.
Hey, do you need any stone? There's plenty of it here. All laying on the ground. Just go get it.
Yeah. We need a.
Did you guys ever like farm bedrock?
I tried it a while ago. I never did it in like any kind of survival game, but I just tried to do like this tutorial for it to see if it would actually work. I could never really get it to work.
Yeah, I was able to do it. I did. Well, there was one where if you remove the bedrock from the end portal and gateway, you could do that. You know, the AFK wither farm that I was doing, you could actually do that with TNT. But ever since they fixed that, you can't do that anymore. You can do the suffocation one, but you used to be able to do it with TNT, and it would kill them so quick. You'd have like beacons, like a couple stacks of beacons within minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know on my IRL friends realm, like way before I did YouTube, I farmed bedrock on there and everybody thought I was hacking.
Oh, you hacker.
I'm like, no, I know it looks suspicious because I may or may not also have admin perms. It
All right.
was legit, I promise. And then it stayed in my ender chest because I did not trust like half of those people that weren't going to grief it.
I think what people don't understand is that takes away the fun of it.
I hate it when people's
100%.
like, oh, he's hacking, but there's like no hacking going on.
Yeah, it's not fun to cheat.
It's like the people that'll like get on their friend's Facebook and they're like, hacked. Like, what exactly did you hack? They left their Facebook up on your computer. There was no hacking involved.
Facebook banned me.
I would ban you too.
Really?
Oh, okay, they didn't ban me.
Yeah, totally,
as
totally
in-
justified.
Wow. No, they didn't ban the alien doctor. I tried to make one. So like I have a portfolio account where I post some of my photography work on and stuff. And I tried on Instagram, and I tried to make one on Facebook, which is obviously also owned by Meta, using the exact same email and the exact same name. And they suspended my account the day after because they didn't think I was a real person. So then they got me to
Was your
upload
real
ID.
Wait, they didn't
And I
think
did.
you were a real alien and a real doctor?
But it was a different name. I used my IRL name.
Oh, okay.
And then it asked me to upload ID, so I did. And then they permanently banned me. They didn't believe my real
Wow.
passport. So I Facebook bad.
What?
But I literally had an account in the same name on Instagram and it worked completely fine.
Are you hardware banned?
No,
Or
it's just
d-
with that email.
Oh, just make a new email.
No, see, just,
Yeah, but
no
Yeah.
one's gonna believe that your name is Smith.
I don't know. I hate
oh, that's where I
Facebook.
went wrong. Imagine if you just like
Yeah.
said my real name.
You know what? You're not missing anything, anyways.
Yeah.
It's Facebook.
I
Well,
miss
I only
MySpace.
wanted it because I take photos for my local basketball team and then also some of the junior teams as well.
Oh yeah.
And all of the like Facebook mums were like posting them and like crediting me, but they didn't have any way to like tag me. So as a way to try and build up my I can't think of what the word is.
Portfolio?
Reach, I guess. I
Oh.
was like, I wanna be on there so that they can tag me and then people can like hopefully follow me. But just no.
Yeah, I mean that's what I do. I get on there just to make fun of my friends.
Alien's like, I just got to get in contact with all of the basketball moms. Need all the basketball moms.
No.
Yeah, I had no idea that you were so tall, IRL.
Yeah.
Whenever I was listening to your stream, I'm like, man, he is tall.
I've seen pictures of aliens and they're tall, man.
Yeah. Thought you were gonna say
That one in
I've
Las
seen
Vegas
pictures.
was like, but
Yeah,
10 feet
yeah.
tall.
Yeah, that one in Vegas is like super tall.
Alien's like, well, to be fair, that was measured by the gravity of Mars. So it's just going to be a little different on Earth.
I see you've met my
Welcome in,
second
Doug. Good to see you.
He's second cousin.
Hey, Doug.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. I think
I'm looking at all the stone I'm mining out.
I'm more average. I'm 5'11", so I'm not like
cousin.
incredibly tall.
Small.
Small. Well, yeah, it's small.
That's taller than average.
Yeah, I think the average is
I'm
what, 5'9".
Like 5'7".
Average male is 5'8" in both the UK and the US.
Are you
Huh.
serious? That's how tall I am.
Yeah,
You're tall.
that's why I get a crack out of these videos. Have you ever seen them to where these girls will be going and they're like, oh, the ideal guy's like 6'5" and he needs to make at least $100,000 a year, and he must have own a yacht and this and that, and then they actually put together the percentage of them actually finding their quote unquote soulmate, and it's like 0.0005%.
No,
It's
that's
like
because
forever alone.
because
Yeah.
their ideal soulmate is as cliche as them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, those videos annoy me, so I normally just swipe past them.
Yeah, same here.
That's not a soulmate. That's a sugar daddy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I saw one the other day and I cracked up because this guy went on, I guess, like a blind date, and the girl that he went on a date with had like huge lips from Botox, and he he was on the short saying, and like they were going back and forth, and he's like, oh, you don't want to keep dating me? He's like, I'm not saying that I won't go on another date with you, but on a scale of 1 to 10, how plastic are you? And I'm like, oh no.
The answer to that is
Oh.
no. I don't think you'll be going on a date with her again.
Yeah.
But then again, I would have to I'd be like, hey, can someone let the air out of those tires?
Yeah, well, it's like, yeah, wondering
Like
what
they're
the
overinflated.
wondering what the altitude rating is on it.
Like, you don't get better mileage from that.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's
It's
Down.
It's busted.
different strokes for different folks, I guess. You know, some
Sure.
people are into it, and well, it is what it is. I don't know. I'm more of an old school mentality, so it's not really my thing. But I don't know. Find happiness. If they find happiness doing it, then so be it. But I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me. I have a bad habit of interjecting my opinion, anyways, as you guys know.
Too.
Just kind of slips past my lips.
Same.
No pun intended. But yeah, I don't know. I'm the type of person to where I'm like, I want people to like me for who I am, and if they don't like me for who I am, you know, they can piss off.
We only like you for your server.
Thanks, pal.
Wow.
It's okay. See how it is. Renee says my mom is 5'4", then my sister is 5'10", and I'm 6 foot. Brother is 6'2". Dad was almost 6 heart. Wait, hold on. Dad was almost 6'4".
Did I hear that right? We gotta rewind on that.
The heart was in the way, so I just read the heart. Almost 6'4". Family pictures were hilarious. Yeah, it looked like some kind of stock graph or something. Yeah, I know, because I've known Renee IRL for like 20 years, so yeah, she's definitely more on the tall side. But I know that height can come from generations way past too. So like, just because your immediate family doesn't have a lot of height, you can pop out a child and like they tower over everybody, you know. But I don't know. I think that I'm more, well, I guess I would be, according to Alien, above average. But
yeah, we googled it on stream.
I googled it, or you did?
Oh, I googled it.
Oh, I must have missed that part. No, Google, just stop listening. No.
The men in my family are tall. They're all over 6 feet tall.
Ow.
Yeah.
I am the tallest girl in my family. Most of them are like 5'4", 5'3".
All right.
Weird.
Yeah.
Did you fall in the hole? Oh, you did. Bye.
Yeah, it's just all variety, really. It's really, you would set fire to my face.
I think about that all the time. It's kind of a dream of
Thanks.
I mean, I feel
that.
like we get some sort of free reign after, you know, someone, I spelled, cut a hole through his fiber optic cable and.
I did not do any such thing.
Hey, I never said you did. I just had a cough.
You coughed, yes.
Yeah.
With quotation marks on the end. Okay, I guess I should go and empty this stuff out too. Oh, lag.
Yeah, I'm running the golf up.
Oh, are you? Yeah, that's why.
I gotta get XP.
Oh man, my pickaxe is looking like that rock hammer in Shawshank Redemption.
I cannot remember my height. I'm around 1.8 meters, or 1.88, which is like 6
Hey Google,
feet.
What is 1.88 meters to feet?
He just told you.
6'2"? Is that right?
Around, yeah, I think.
Oh, you're tall too. I don't know.
I'm taller than everyone in my family, so.
Oh, that I just consider anything over like, I guess my height tall.
Would you like to know the exact?
Yeah, it's about 3 feet per meter. I know that because we measure cable in meters. So.
Oh yeah.
Which is what, almost a yard.
Yeah. I wish that they would just
like
find something and stick to it.
I think they should stick to the metric system. It makes so much more sense.
Yeah.
It's like, why not? I mean, why not just have one type of unit of measuring?
Well, the worst part is like working on the old Dodge pickup trucks. You would have SAE bolts going through into the transmission, and then you would have metric bolts going into the engine. So it's like they're literally going in the two different directions, but depending on the facility that made the engine and the transmission, it's like that vehicle had both metric and American bolts on it. And like if you weren't paying attention and you put the wrong bolt in the wrong hole, it cross-thread it and turn it into a big cluster. Hold on, I gotta find my.
Oh, how far?
Yeah,
out?
that.
Wow, that bridge is looking pretty good. I didn't even notice that thing. Oh, now.
The big
Yeah.
effect. No.
I'm gonna have to make a bridge one of these days that's not made out of trapdoors.
Oh, that's great. Hey, Dark, what you have going on over there looks fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my pencil in the sky.
Yeah.
What you mean? Oh yeah, I
Admiring.
finally got started on it. I forgot you guys can see it.
Yeah.
You know, just that little thing.
I have my render distance lower, so I don't see it from over here.
I love it because it's like gives you just enough of like a sneak peek or a sneak a sneak peek just yeah, a sneak peek just to see what Dark's up to, but it doesn't show enough to really spoil it almost.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can't fully tell what's going on.
Not that I totally didn't fly over there, but there was only 6 people in the stream.
Oh no, it's all good. I really don't care.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if you want to save the stone over here,
Curiosity
you can pick them
got
up
the
before they
moss.
despawn, because I'm not picking up any.
yeah, I'm thinking that we should probably go and find some Malays and bring them back here.
Holy.
We don't. There's nobody that has Malays yet, is there?
Nope.
Please don't bring them
Oh,
up.
I
I think
know.
so.
Yeah,
Sound they make are really annoying.
No, but when we do, you could sure find Puggy.
I hate those things.
Lays or Puggies?
Oh, both.
He loves clays.
No, I'm just kidding.
Uh-oh.
I feel like Alays were such a good idea that was really underdelivered.
Like
you know-
most
Sure.
of their updates.
Yeah, it's I don't know, like you use them for a non-stackable sorting system and it's completely useless.
Yep.
And it sucks because if they were implemented correctly, then it would have just been so much better than
I
what
was
it is
really excited about them until I actually. Oh, I'm gonna die.
until you actually used them.
Yep. This hole is really super dark. Oh,
Hey, if you guys
They were a
need
mob
any,
vote, weren't they?
yes, I believe so.
Yeah.
But so was the Phantom.
my goodness.
Oh geez, don't start. You'll get the stop the mob vote people.
I've been wanting to put together a pack to where you can ride the Phantoms and control them with like a carrot on a stick. It'd
I
be
had
so
a
much
while
fun.
ages ago to just make a rideable mobs pack where basically every mob is rideable, but I never got around to it.
Dude, it'd be so much
I
fun just to be able to ride the player.
Maybe not every mob.
Just be like ride the player against their will.
You know what? I now really want to know if that's possible.
Oh, I'm sure it
I'm
is.
not gonna lie, that probably is actually possible.
Yeah,
I know what I'm spending my evening doing.
just be
I
like,
shall tick productive things off the checklist.
welcome in, Iris. Yeah, that'd be so much fun.
Iris.
And not only that, but be able to like ride the entity that is riding an entity, so you could literally just like pillar to the moon. Like everybody jump on Gigi. Have her run around. We need to make that happen. It's going to be a PB exclusive.
Why me? Oh, let's jump on Gigi.
Yeah, it'll be like the old saying, hop on pop. But
Wait,
it'll be
I
like,
forgot how low we're supposed to go. Was it 90 or was it?
yes, 90.
Yeah, okay.
Just hop on, GG.
You have a less efficiency than me.
I have Fortune 3, but you have Netherite. Netherite. I can't English today. All of my words are coming out because my tongue's sticking to my mouth.
I have efficiency 4 and I'm breaking blocks faster than you.
I have efficiency 5.
Oh.
Yeah, it's because you have Netherite.
I don't think that makes... Does it make
Yeah.
a
Oh
difference?
yeah, another
Oh, yeah,
right. I
it
forgot
does.
about that stuff.
Yeah, it does make a difference. Surprisingly.
Even
It's
if I have
crazy. I can't
efficiency
see
4.
you guys. But I can see blocks being broken from here.
I'm pretty sure
Aw.
I'm pretty sure Silk Touch mines faster too, though, because it doesn't have to make a calculation whenever it breaks the block. Which is another one of those efficiency updates that Minecraft should probably consider doing. Like if you actually look how much faster, and these are like pickaxe for pickaxe, so we have efficiency 5 there, and then we have efficiency 5 on the diamond pickaxe. and it just, I don't know, especially if you have to break like one of these blocks, so much slower as opposed to.
I don't think it should like make. I don't think it'll make much of a difference because
Yeah,
it's the same calculation regardless. I think.
yeah, I don't know.
In my mind, the computer does the same calculation except it doesn't access a recipe.
Yeah, potentially. I don't know. Maybe there's another reason for it. I've just noticed it being like ever so slightly slower, but it could just be me too. It's crazy the amount of work that we've done to this area, and it doesn't even look like hardly any work's been done to it. I mean, it does, but it doesn't.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
You want to know how spaghetti code Minecraft Bedrock's code base is?
Oh, I can only imagine.
Very, probably.
There are 7 block registers in the game.
I feel like you may need to explain that more.
Okay, so
I'm
in the
so
back
confused.
end, with block registers, you know
Sorry.
how like there's like a block that you register in the block registry. There's like 7 of them, which define each block in the game. And for some reason, there's just like 7 of them. They're all different, but yeah, just looking at the assembly code, it just doesn't make any sense.
Would that lead to like degraded performance?
Oh, probably depends on how they're using it.
Right.
And there's like another 4 item registries
Perfect.
or some
I
kind
am
of
an
stuff.
artiste.
I don't really know.
Huh.
Still just adding 1.
Right. Is that why you use the register command over just making your own like player run command? Or is it just easier to do that way? I think you explained that to me before.
Oh, it's restart
Wait, server
time already?
restart? Who did this?
It's noon. Well, 5 minutes till.
It's not noon. It's almost 9.
Well, it's noon here.
Well,
It's
That doesn't
2
change
o'clock here.
things.
yeah.
I love how the blocks are just disappearing over there next to GG. But you can't see GG.
That's what I was talking about a minute ago. Over there.
Take this coal here.
We're making a lot faster progress because of the beacon.
When are they adding HC mod to Bedrock? What is HC mod? I'm not following.
Hardcore, probably.
Hardcore mode.
Oh, hardcore. Well,
I
that.
thought it was already added.
Oh, hardcore mode. Okay, sorry.
It's added in. Isn't it added in the?
In the betas.
The pre-release, the betas.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, it's blocked by that hard again.
And if you want it early, then you
mean-
could get Aliens Hardcore add-on from thealiendoctor.com.
There you go. See.
Which will become obsolete soon.
Remind me about it. First they take my one-player sleep, then they take my hardcore add-on.
Nah, I remember when you were so sad about that.
They know what how Foxy feels.
Yeah.
Because I think Alien said that was one of like his biggest add-ons that did the best. The one-player
Oh,
sleep.
it was. It was.
Everybody loves one player sleep.
Well, you know what? Past tense was.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. Wow. Really making me feel better. And that my hardcore add-on did pretty good as well because it had like a ton of anti-cheat stuff to stop people from like going into creative. So what I'm thinking of doing is releasing like a no cheat add-on that you could use alongside your hardcore world,
Huh.
and then you know people aren't cheating,
Yeah.
type of thing.
Oh, this is ugly. Here, we're gonna.
Yeah, I know. Anti-cheat stuff's been becoming really popular. I think it's been who was it that released that? Mad Lad? That just
I mean,
released
when
one?
I say anti-cheat, it's more like just stopping people from going into creative. Like, you can't really with an add-on detect like a hacked
I
client.
was gonna say like.
You're essentially just
Will
check.
stop me from using my X-ray pack.
That's kind of possible. Well, it depends how the X-ray pack works.
I only used an X-ray pack once, and that was only because of season 1, where I couldn't get slime to spawn, so I was looking for, pretentious mobs, not pretentious mobs.
Yeah.
So,
persistent mobs.
what is it doing? Just running
Those mobs are pretentious.
running a tick function to set everybody in survival? Essentially?
Mine, I think it did that. Well, if you were dead, then it would let you like switch game modes. Like
Yeah.
it would run a tick function to put you back into spectator. I think if I remember correctly, it did the same for survival. It would also set the difficulty to hard. So it just ran a ton of commands that were running in a tick
What
function.
is Subzillion?
I gotcha.
So when you die, it would give you the dead or death hard tag. And then all players with the dead tag would be put into spectator mode. And that would happen every tick. Things like keep inventory. Well, actually, I guess that doesn't matter because it's hardcore. So, like the game mode, difficulty hard, daylight cycle,
I love how
all of that sort of thing.
we're like the ruffians, like coming over to RS area and just spray painting the place.
Yeah.
I put myself in a safe place.
Well, most people do.
Think?
He thinks he's safe.
But now,
From the mobs, maybe not from you guys.
hang on a minute. I can
Let me
make this a lot
go
more,
with an end
I
of
can make this a
crystal.
lot more
Oh, it
scary if you give me a
It's the
second.
mobs that you have to worry about. I need a lot more dirt.
For now.
That was scary.
He's not gonna sleep tonight.
Forgive me while I go and change my pants.
Ew.
Doris, I'm coming for you.
Hi, Project Bedrock. We'll see you next year.
Ira
This
says,
is what you get for cutting the fiber cable. The fiber monster's coming.
don't start that again. Ira says, if you're going to ride the Phantoms, can you ride the dragon too? I'd imagine you can ride the dragon. You just have to make it to where whenever you're riding the dragon, you're not taking damage, because I think whenever you're inside of the dragon's hitbox, it's going to automatically hurt the player.
Hang on.
That would
Or
be-
you do take damage and it would just be more funny.
I want to ride the dragon. I want to control the dragon. Yeah, I mean, you could probably do that too. I mean, all of that can be altered.
Put a saddle on the dragon.
What we need is dragons in the overworld.
Yeah, you can just use the ride command instead of doing the saddle, if it's able to. I restarted an old world, so I'm currently in the Iron Age still. This is crazy fast to me right now. When are they adding hardcore mode to Bedrock? And what is it? Megacula Craft? Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It's the previews right now, still not in the official game. Okay, yeah, I thought
so
that was
means
already
it's gonna
all
be
set.
like soon. It's probably gonna be in. Is it slated for 1-2-1?
I believe so, yes.
I'm
Oh,
not
probably-
sure. Because
yeah,
if I
probably
remember
like-
correctly,
Let's see.
they said they were just going to work on it. And
Oh.
they didn't give a specific update because they want to do it properly. Because obviously there's a ton of bugs that kill you in Bedrock Edition. So I'm not sure if they actually said if it was going to be in 1.21.
Oh, the range of damage when you crouch near a block. Well, crouch near off a block. And there's another one. When you eat a course fruit on top of, or when you're really high and you eat a course fruit, you instantly take damage and die.
Nice.
Wow.
So it's calculating fall damage even though you're not falling?
Yep.
I tried to do that a couple times.
I died on here once because of that.
Oh, look at you. You're cheating.
Well, I'm not on the Project Bedrock server. I'm inside of a regular server. Or a regular
Wait,
world,
is
rather.
Project Alien SMP back?
Do we have any of the new... I don't even know what the new enchantments are.
Oh, that would have been such a good April Fool's.
Hi, boss! Oh, man! Okay, so after... Really, dude? You just can't go
There's a
without...
button
Here,
here.
push it again. Oh, you're in creative. You killed Elliot.
I'm just
Punch, quick charge,
I'm just trying to play
respiration.
the game.
Okay,
Is it
so
really that?
But does this button
Does it
do
really too much to ask for? Shoot! Oh, yep. What hacks? No. Okay.
What?
So that I will get. I will
Wait,
get to the button. You got to this, brother. No, no. Give me that back. No. No.
He can't. No!
No.
No!
No, Project Alien SMP.
You're right. This is a fun game.
The game that does not affect me anymore.
You can make it. You can make it, Daniel. You're almost there. Oh.
Yes. No. Yes. No.
No!
Oh, if
Ow.
you have it in an adjacent block,
Ow.
it totally works.
Yeah, I know it works. Budget. No, don't you dare. I suddenly just realized.
You'd suddenly just realize how many buttons there are.
Got him.
No. Why? Who? Oh my gosh. Why is No. 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 No.
I will say this mace is pretty strong, even without any
No,
enchantments.
I was on your team, RS.
Oh, sorry. Does anybody
No.
want to? Does anybody want
No.
to volunteer
No.
directly underneath me here? Somebody stand on that obsidian there.
I volunteer must.
Hey, I was trying to chat here.
I'm volunteering must.
Okay, anybody want to volunteer? Stand on that obsidian. This is the first time that I've used this.
Go to the obsidian.
Is there no way to read through these tridents safely?
Yeah, I was already at like.
On what, the gold form?
Yeah, because my pickaxe is on 1 health.
Potentially.
Don't make me bring out my auto clicker.
I haven't added any doors or anything. Oh man, he's over there.
Jeez. Auto clicker.
Yeah, I do not want to break anything before the
Wait, I'm gonna die of hunger.
everything.
Oh no! I'm gonna die of hunger. I'm literally
Oh
starving.
man, I got killed by a skeleton.
I died.
How?
I was using no. No, there's a shoe. Go away, zombie. It's for it's for the good of the world.
Ow, I'm on fire. Come on, will you leave me alone?
It's actually pretty fun.
I see what you're doing. I'm like that meme. I'm in danger.
Hey, Sign, you can go over to my villagers and sell them a bunch of paper and mend your pickaxe real quick if you want to. It's close.
I don't have any paper though. Do you have paper
There's
there?
some in the chest by the villagers, and I'll bring up some more in just a sec.
Yeah. Let's see if I can even make my way over there because I've only got 5 rockets.
You should be able to break the
It's
glass
only
and
like
then
1
redraw
or 2
them.
rockets away.
Let's see if I know where to go.
Ah,
Just tell me the coordinates. I forgot.
I'm trying. It's like
What?
800.
Sure.
I mean 300, 800.
No. Get
Okay,
out of here. Out. Dang it.
Yeah, that should be enough.
There's a house up there. You just go into the house and there's a bunch of villagers.
Oh.
There, you found it. I'm in spectator.
Alright.
Oh!
And in that chest, there you go.
What? Oh dear.
Gonna have to.
I broke it.
It's raining TNT. What? Save me.
Okay, let me turn this off.
This is now our doomsday bunker. Why would you even?
Why did it not blow it up?
Oh, paper. Oh no, I didn't. Oh.
Let's see how you like it.
Okay.
Wait, that's a farmer. That's not what I want.
There's some rockets for you too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go on, get close to it. I dare you.
No, that's what I'm doing wrong.
Look up there.
I'll eventually get this figured out.
Dang it. Right there.
Ah, no, skeleton, you're ruining it.
You know, here we'll do it the easy way.
What the heck are you doing on your wall?
So close, it's so far. Ah, skeleton, come on.
Really? Oh, I know what I forgot.
That's 12.
There's a problem here. What's going on?
Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm running to the cave.
Run!
Run! Get away from me!
Run, Moss! Run! Run!
I am TNT Man.
Oh man.
Yeah, this is how we should dig out the hole on Project Bedrock.
You know, I like the way you think. I love how he's just like jumping. It's like the old game Snake, where you just see the snake behind the extended snake.
Yeah.
Oh. Here, hang on. I got an idea.
I thought the water might make it better. I guess it did.
Is Mossing creative?
I don't think so.
Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, how's he not dead yet?
I wouldn't be dying like this. Oh. Oh! I'm gonna MLG. Well, I can't really. I made it!
So did all the TNT. Well, you know, if you can't beat them, you might as well join them.
Bam.
Okay, I'm gonna jump out of Discord and go do a couple of things, but I'll be watching.
Oh, great.
See ya.
Oh, great. Yeah.
Lurking.
See you guys.
Lurking.
Oh! Oh, the lag.
Hi guys.
Ah! Oh, I might be able to land in the water. I can't land in the water. It's too far.
Oh, the command block's not loaded anymore. Oh.
Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm way up there.
Hey, look, I'm a beautiful little butterfly. It is a good day to have an overclocked 3080.
I just join and then instantly. Oh, now I'm like glitched dead.
Glitch dead?
I love it, like when you're in the water, you just
Let's
TNT just starts bouncing you around.
use the new follow command. Whee!
They're all just
I'm
mucking
trying to
out
make a
there while,
perimeter.
Me and Dark are just. Well, wait, who? Is it here? Yeah, me and Dark.
You know what? If I could
Just
keep
have you
jumping
mining out
across the
stone.
crevice, I
Oh,
could
yeah, still doing it.
We're coming, guys, I promise.
Hi, Dark.
This right here is the way to clear out an area. This is the way that you do it, right here.
Yes.
This is amazing. Until I die.
Wondering what that was. I was playing glass.
I'm just gonna stay here underwater for a little while
Whee!
until I drown.
Okay, okay. Are you guys ready to go back to the server and do
Yeah.
something productive?
Woo!
I should probably go and turn off that command block. They must have changed it to where command blocks can't be blown up anymore. 'Cause that was
They
definitely
couldn't be blown up anyway. Anyways.
well. I remember, yeah, I remember blowing them up before because it
I
was
thought they
really
were always
irritating.
indestructible.
Yeah, they were always invincible.
Not that I know of.
What are you talking about?
There's no telling. Oh, let's see here. Needs redstone. Well, now that I removed half of the world. Poor alien.
Yay! I'm free. Project Alien SMP could continue. Wow, somebody spamming chat to tell you what you've already done. Nice one.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Alright, guys, I'm going to close down this world, so you're going to get kicked. And let's jump back on the server.
Get a repeating
Also, the
command block, like how we're repeating.
DC server is down.
Voice craft should be up. No, I don't want to go into the server again because I'm going to leak everything.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I don't think I'm ever going to leave, or I'm going to ever live that down. English words hard. It's up.
I'm just never gonna let you log into your own server ever again. Yeah, the VoiceCraft server is ready.
Is it just not binded?
You need to do the.
No, I can't even connect to it. Even the Minecraft server can't connect to it.
So you have to do like auto something.
Auto connect? Yeah.
Yeah, I tried that. It just wouldn't connect.
Yeah, we should find the guy who made that and get him to fix it.
Yeah.
I'm going to restart my Minecraft client real fast. That way, whenever.
I think it worked.
Oh, it finally did it.
Yay!
Woo.
JJ's, this is a content creator only
How are
server.
there 5 participants in the
So
server?
it's a closed server. 5
Closed.
participants?
I think the server bugged out.
Yeah, we might need to
Would you like
restart
me
the
to
server.
restart it?
I just started
Yeah.
it. That's-
Wait,
yeah,
what?
I just started it earlier this morning because it wasn't even started. That's weird.
I was gonna say you.
It
you
just
can
lost
play
connection.
Minecraft. First, go to
I'm restarting it.
Minecraft.com.
Wait.
Wait,
Which
did
one's
you-
the current one?
Why do you have so many BC files? I think you started the old one because that one had a memory leak.
Uh-oh.
So is it old voicecraft.server, voicecraftserver.active?
It's the one that is voicecraftserver.active. It should be the one all the way in the top left. All the way in the.
Did I hit you? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way in the top left. This one.
Yeah.
Do I need bones, really?
Okay, let me exit
Okay,
out
we
of
need
this
to pin
before I
this
leak everything.
What do you mean?
All right, there we go. Now it's working.
All right, while this is loading, did you click on the BDS UI?
Yes.
I don't know if it was freezed or frozen. I'm gonna step away real quick, grab a snack. I'll be right back.
It was freezing.
It was
okay,
it was
is
more
time.
freezed.
Oh,
It is
did he leave us on live mic?
normally he does.
Oh, perfect.
Hello, chat.
Okay,
It's
whatever.
just you and us again.
Yeah, you could sub to Moss and Alien and Sign Vector,
Yeah.
just not our.
Don't sub to me though. I don't want
That's
to
sub stuff. as well.
Absolutely sub to.
You should definitely sub to Dark.
I don't.
And whilst you're, doing stuff, you could also visit thealiendoctor.com for a ton of great Minecraft resource packs and even a few behavior packs. And also check out.
Yeah, he has one
Um,
player sleep.
Yeah, I got one player sleep, guys. So popular last year.
You're so last year.
You can check out
It's
TikTok.
ramen time.
.com/@thealiendoctor and TikTok.com/@thealiendoctor_. Or Instagram, sorry. And twitch.tv/thealiendoctor_ and facebook.com/thealiendoctoryt because it wanted to be different. And I think that's everything. GitHub.com/thealiendoctor.
Well, I'm just glad that he didn't advertise his OnlyFans.
Sub ban.
Onlyfans.com/
The
Alien
Alien
Doctor.
Doctor. Come in, see my one eye. It's moist.
That is definitely some things that could be said there. If you like seeing moist things on OnlyFans, then make sure to check.
Oh my god.
Make sure to come and check out my singular moist eye.
All your moist needs.
Right. alienmoistdied.onlyfans.com.
You know, I did just eat a potato chip, but then I instantly threw it up in my mouth afterwards.
Ew, I did not need to know that, but thank you.
Oh, you're the culprit.
Jeez.
Potato chip. No, that wasn't very American of me.
What are they? Fish and chips? I can't remember what you guys call them.
Potato.
Potato chip.
No, they'd just be crisps. No, wait, no, hang on. What is a potato chip? Hang on a minute.
So potato chip is crisp
Potato
and
chip.
French fries are chips.
Yes, you're right.
Can I ban the server owner, please?
Yes.
I feel like there's an overthrow in power going on right now.
Ow!
Time to stage
Ow.
a coup.
Stupid spider? Really?
I vote that we make a new hashtag
Oh
called.
my god, we're like running around in a circle like Benny Hill there.
This is a bad spot to
Who locked off
AFK.
the beacon? That's just unnecessary. I vote we make a new hashtag called #MakeAlienPVServer. In Britain, we call them yellow things. I have never heard anybody call them yellow things.
Can I have some of them there yellow things?
Not the blue ones, the yellow ones. Biscuits equal cookies. Yeah.
Get over here.
Sorry, I'm doing the thing where I read your chat again. It's not intentional. It's just.
Oh, here we go
I'm
again.
just born to be a streamer.
More drop stone here. And why did you disable the beacon?
Wait. What blew up here?
What? Who keeps disabling the beacon?
What? What beacon?
The beacon.
If biscuits are cookies, then what are cookies called?
No, that's what they're called. Biscuits.
I literally snorted. What?
Well, then that's written backwards if that's the case. Wouldn't it be?
Well, no, because
Bickets?
biscuits are cookies.
Bickets?
Bigots?
What you would call a cookie, we'd call a biscuit.
Yes.
Okay, so then what are biscuits?
Cookies.
Biscuit.
Muffins?
So,
Oh wait, is there an American biscuit? Hang on.
Oh, yes.
I had this discussion with Penape once,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
we
so
found
that-
I discovered some
that-
horrifying American foods.
Yeah,
They are
American
the
biscuits
most
look like a roll.
flaky, amazing thing ever.
Oh
It's a
yeah, no,
scone
they're
with
not
no
that bad.
fruit in it.
Okay, they're horrible.
It's a sweet scone with no fruit, Alien.
I mean, that
That's the best
sounds,
way to describe
you know,
it.
pretty American to me. Actually,
You know what?
So-
That's accurate.
A sweet scone?
Well, actually, it's not sweet though. Our biscuits are usually savory.
Unless you get the Hawaiian ones.
So it would be an unsweet scone.
So just a
Does it have-
scone.
How much sugar does it have in it?
Well, I mean, yeah, but doesn't even.
Yeah.
Like, scone,
What is a
they're
scone?
sweet, they're not like super sweet.
It sounds like you're mispronouncing an ice cream
Alright.
cone.
What
I'm
is a
also
scone?
extremely happy to hear that Dark
Scone.
says. I'm
That's almost
extremely
like a drop
happy.
biscuit RS.
I'm
Like, come on,
extremely
we have-
happy
we
to hear
have
that Dark
scones
says
for you.
scone, not scone.
Oh no.
Thank you,
Say
Dark.
scone. It's just wrong.
Yeah.
I just think of biscuits as hardened dough.
Hardened dough.
Oh, man. That's
Oh,
almost as
man.
bad as people pronouncing the stuff like a catcha, or however they
Oh,
say
look, I
it.
made
A cha-cha.
dirt bar.
A cha-cha.
A cha-cha.
That's how you say it.
I don't understand how people read that, a cha-cha. Like, no, it
That's how
does.
you say it.
No, not anywhere relatively close.
Wait. What are you trying to say?
A cha-cha.
A cha-cha.
Cha-cha.
A cha-cha.
Isn't it so fun to say it like that? A cha-cha.
Yeah.
Cha-cha.
A cha-cha.
It's like instead of PNG, png.
I need that pung file. And then I also need the jip-cha.
Bum.
No, I don't know where that
Yeah.
that whole thing got started, the cha-cha thing. I know Zoomovoid pronounces it like that too. And
The legitimate thing is apparently that.
well, if that's legitimate, they are either spelling it improperly or pronouncing it improperly, because the English that I learned, which is a subpar language of the language that you guys know, that is not correct.
Okay, I did Google it, and you are right. But
Yeah.
a cha-cha is still more fun. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I Googled it before too, and I'm like, I still don't understand where these people are getting the cha-cha from. It sounds like one of those songs that you belly dance to or something. You're scaring the kids.
Oh, dang it, horse, get out of my way.
At least you didn't do it with the voice changer.
I can.
No. Oh man. Whenever we're using or whenever we're playing Among Us, you should use that.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a daily amount a minimum that I have to use it so that I can say it was worth the money.
Oh, you had to pay for it?
I did get it secondhand, so it wasn't actually that expensive compared to full price, but still.
You got a second hand? A voice?
Well-
you got a voice second hand? That's a voice.
Yeah. It was technically refurbished by a shop that we've discussed on Project Bedrock before.
Oh, are you talking about the Go XLR?
Yeah.
Oh, I
I
gotcha.
have to
What
throw
else would I
a,
be talking about?
I thought that you were talking about like a third-party program or something.
I'll just go ahead and throw a free VST on my voice.
All right.
Stop it! Don't undermine my purchase. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. That's gonna be stuck in my head now.
Cha-cha.
It might be just me, but I do not
Ah.
know where to collect all the
Why?
XP in one spot.
the gold farm.
Yeah.
Go underneath it where the micarts are. Or the minecart.
Yeah, it's Bedrock.
Tomato.
I think it's a Corrales thing. Yeah, I know Corrales, I think, was the original thing. But I've heard Azumovoy talking about it inside of a stream, and he's like continuously trying to justify the way that he says it. And I'm like, okay,
It's like the
you do you.
Isn't like American gravy completely different as well?
I'm trying to think of what
Yes,
your gravy is.
it is.
but Probably.
And like,
Theirs is white.
If I mine a
it
dirt
actually
block,
looks disgusting.
I mine a dirt
Well,
block.
wait, we have
There you go.
actually several different gravies. There's a white gravy, there's a brown gravy, there's
We don't have white
brown
gravy. Ours is brown.
We have
We
gravy.
call that that gravy is called sawmill gravy. It's like for breakfast. It's made out of sausages, breakfast sausages.
It's made for everything. I love gravy.
No, it's good
Oh,
stuff. It is good stuff.
I call it incapacitating fluid.
I feel ill
Incapacitating
when I look at
sauce.
that American gravy.
Well, Florida is also known for bath salts.
You wonder why us Americans are so overweight. That's why it's gravy, I tell you. It's the gravy.
Absolutely. McDonald's.
I think it's more than just the gravy.
You never. Oh yes, most definitely. It is definitely not the gravy. I don't even think that. I don't even think that
It's eating the gravy and then sitting and playing Minecraft all day.
I'm feeling called out.
If that was the case, then
Personal attack.
yeah. If that was the case, then I would have to be moved by a forklift.
Well, I have to be moved by a forklift. So.
Every Discord moderator.
With gallons of
Also feeling
soda.
called out.
Yeah.
Gallons of soda. I haven't drank soda like, I mean, every once in a while I have like a diet root beer or a diet. I got this really good sugar-free ginger beer. That's really good. Other than that, I don't really drink soda. And
Me neither.
And I really haven't.
The longer that you go without soda, the worse it tastes.
Seriously, and it's like it's so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Even like the diet ones. That's why I can only drink like one every once in a while because they're just way too sweet. Well, except for ginger beer is just like the perfect.
I won't drink diet. The diet's horrible for you.
The diet ginger beer that I drink is a little bit better. It doesn't have all this stuff in it.
Really, Alien?
Yeah, that's good.
What are you
Well,
guys
what do I
doing
do?
over here?
Digging.
Yeah, I see that. If you guys need any resources, help yourself.
Okay.
Oh,
Will
I'll
do.
go grab that netherite I saw.
You know,
Well,
really didn't even.
No,
you didn't even really have to tell us that.
I meant the natural one that you dug out. I'm not talking about all my stuff up there.
So, like, I can't have...
Okay, if you need any
Type of rifling
resources,
for your chest.
if you need any
What
What about this
resources,
stack of gunpowder?
no.
You know
What about...
us helping you out so much with all this? I think payment is due.
If
What
you
about
need,
all these blocks of iron?
I thought that this was just aha.
I'm helping out because I'm bored. I have nothing else to do.
I am helping.
No one else will know why that's
work
funny.
for free. I'm sorry.
For those of you that don't know what aha is, it is helping. Just so you know. I know that you guys in voice don't get that on your end. I still have to fix it. So I'm a slacker. Okay, anything in this row of chest and over, you guys can feel free to help yourself to.
Okay, I'm moving the row of chests. Hold still.
Troll.
Smells like a flying machine.
You don't like soda, GG? Yeah, it's okay. It's just extremely bad for you, like most things.
Everything is bad.
Everything. There's literally nothing good for you anymore.
Oh wait, that isn't how the song goes, right? Everything is awful.
Everything is
Everything
sad
will
and
eventually
lonely
kill
and
you.
yeah.
I'm a tea drinker. Yeah, I drink a lot of tea also.
I love tea.
I don't. So who's the real British people here?
I never understood how you don't like tea because you're British.
Yeah.
I also don't like.
I think
tea.
it's in your DNA. When I heard Dark say that, I'm like,
Definitely no.
come on, you must like coffee. I mean, and she's like, no, and I'm like,
Y'all, yeah, y'all gotta be
how do you
careful.
do it?
Y'all, they're gonna kick you out of your country.
I only drink energy drinks. so.
Wow.
No wonder why you build so much stuff so quickly.
I don't even drink energy
That's
drinks.
even worse than soda.
Alien, what are you
It
doing?
is, yes.
I'm getting rid of the blocks.
Elian is still young.
I-
Yes.
And I know one of the teas that actually GG drinks, and it's one of the same ones that I drink all the time, which is yerba mate, and that stuff's actually really good for you.
Welcome in, funny cat person. Please don't spam chat. If you spam chat, you're going to be removed from it.
I could do an impression of what they just did.
Do what?
I could do an impression of what they just did. Hang on. Oh, I can't see. It's too
you
dark in
Get
here.
one warning. and
Your
that's
flint
it.
and steel is gonna run out very soon if you keep lighting
Oh, it already
fires.
has.
Oh, it's already dead.
This is what that person just did.
Hello? Okay? Hello? Oh, wait, hang on.
Oh, it was the wrong direction. Hang on.
Hello? Okay. Hello? Anyone? Hello?
They were screaming into the void.
The void being my brain.
Man, if only they had, cans of spray paint. I guess we have dirt though until then.
Are you
How
all just
dirty.
running around?
We're
I'm
Derek.
the only one just mining a block right now.
Yep.
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, what about this chest?
No.
What about this creeper?
There's a chest with a block of iron, voicecraft server settings, 33 rockets, 20 iron ingots, and an
Right
iron
up
chest plate.
higher, will you? Oh,
And
wait a
it's
minute,
in the section with all the chests that you said.
Get wrecked.
Somebody sleep, please. I'm having to fight.
Oh, he's playing with the
I'm just
phantom,
watching
so
you fight
nice.
real life.
To the bed.
You were on fire.
Funny cat person, I don't mind you participating in chat. Just please send the messages all in one. Don't be breaking them up into single word
I hate you.
messages.
Oh, okay. You should probably
Alright.
ban them.
Thank you, Gigi.
Creeper. There we go.
Wait, no. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Person whose name I've forgotten, you gotta be like over 13 to be on YouTube. So like that's probably why you just got banned.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah.
No, he was just timed out. I don't think she banned him yet. Here, I can ban him.
Oh.
No, I think he got banned, yeah.
Did he?
Yeah.
Wow.
I see timed out. Okay.
Yeah, he just
I'm just blind.
Ow.
part of the upcoming
I don't know how
generation
the
that just
YouTube works.
don't get any kind of
Well-
discipline.
Gigi, you're gonna love this. I just tried to fly with a carrot and then eat my rockets.
I laugh because I might have potentially done that before.
Here's a bed.
Whoop, ow.
Did you bring my bed?
Yes,
I
so you
just
can
watch
sleep in it.
Moss and Sign
I
fighting
almost
for their lives
hit
right
the
now.
sign.
Yeah, the reason
I'm
why that's the big
fine.
deal is
Everything's
because
fine.
the people that want to participate in chat are not able to because they spam the chat and it pushes all of the chat messages away where, really, dude?
Yeah.
Where I can't read it.
Oh, Gigi said it's a 30-minute timeout.
Oh. Man, she stuck it to him. 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's.
There is something so incredibly fun about breaking somebody's bed as they're trying to sleep in it. I cannot tell you the joy I get from it.
You
No, but
enjoy.
we could just tell by the
messing
sound
with
of your
people.
voice.
Please, somebody sleep.
I'm trying!
Sign
You
is
could
being
run,
chased by
but
death.
you can't hide.
I'm being chased by 2 creepers and 2 phantoms.
No!
You're too late. You're too late. No.
The lag is saving
Hold
you.
on, guys. It's too late. Too late. Oh!
You know what I don't understand is zombies set us on fire. No other mobs set us on fire.
Did my admin seriously just kick me from my own server?
It was for a good cause. It was for a good cause. How am I meant to get my YouTube shot?
Oh.
Wow.
Be up.
Just mayhem and
I can't believe that
chaos.
just happened. I was like milliseconds away from turning it daytime.
No, it did turn it daytime. That's what makes it worse.
Oh man.
Jeez. Hey guys, can you join my server? Not that I'm self-promoting, but can you join my server?
I do have a self-promote channel inside of my Discord. Links are inside of the description of the stream if you want to actually self-promote where you are able to. I heart Moss. Sub to Moss. Sign. I thought I said I heart Mom. It was like Mother's Day's coming up. That was sweet.
Moss, if you place that, oh, come here.
That's how you keep
Come here.
Elliot. That's how you keep Elliot busy. You just throw seeds on the ground.
Oh, I got rid of my flint and steel to RS Built's chest. Where I go.
No, don't start that again.
Let's see, some flint. Thank you.
I hope that put you on half a heart.
Some iron.
Ow.
Bill, have you? Oh, never mind.
I can't believe you kicked me.
Where are the seeds?
They're in the hole. Did you already get it?
Get them out.
Don't like me. I already threw them in the hole.
Pockets.
No,
Spill, you go.
I don't have any in my pocket. Stuck in a hole.
Oh, I'm only one layer out on this entire section, which I mined out myself.
Yeah, you guys are crazy. Whoa!
I've stopped digging.
Yeah, so have I. I'm just watching.
Oh, wait, you here?
Lazy.
Signs like skipping across the screen.
Oh, I know. The lag.
Yeah.
See, surely that's
There's lag.
pink.
Yeah.
That's Australian lag right there.
His movements look so janky.
It's like
What
one
would
of those
happen if I
TikToks.
self-promote the server RS is in admins? What are you?
RS is in admins.
Yeah.
Not for much longer. Slash Diop.
Oh man.
If I can't have Project Alien, then this'll be Project Alien.
Morgan, you're more than welcome to promote the Project Bedrock server. Just don't promote it as your own. Read it without the admin word.
I can't wait till we can go to the trial chambers.
Right.
I just don't really want to
Do we have-
spoil myself.
Oh, that's. I was about ready to do that. I don't think he has a Discord. Do you? No, we got.
Who?
We have website. Well, Alien Doctor tried to do a Discord command.
Oh, did that stupid thing not start again? Huh. Wonder why.
My streamer bot doesn't work at all, so
Yeah, mine apparently stopped working too.
You used to remember?
That's the best command right there.
How do you?
I thought you used Stream Elements or Streamlabs.
I did, but it just stopped working. I don't know.
You should get StreamerBot.
StreamerBot?
It's good and overly complicated.
Oh, cool. I love
I
overly
was looking at that
complicated
other
things.
one. There's another one that's kind of like StreamerBot that I was looking into. Can't remember the name of it. What's it called?
Yeah, that took longer.
Oh,
than
Mix It
usual.
Up. Have you heard of that one, Alien?
What was it? Sorry,
Mix It Up.
I have not.
Okay. It looks like a very similar to StreamerBot. It runs locally and it runs like
Yeah.
scripts and yeah. That was the next thing I was gonna do. I need to get back to
All
streaming.
the letters are gone.
Overhaul my streaming stuff.
Yeah, I just spent a while doing that for my multi-streaming,
Yeah.
which went well.
Don't have time for that stuff.
Surprisingly,
Yes, we're gonna let all those
I think my
blocks
stream
respawn,
only broke
Iris.
once.
Only broke once.
What's with the obsidian?
That was from when we were using end crystals.
I'm trying to keep up with them, Iris. I can't. Oh, we got some wheat seeds over here. I think I might need to make some more chests.
All right, let's start digging again. I'm gonna have to switch over to my
Oh,
other.
oh.
Yeah, don't.
Why is there just a
Oh,
massive
you have
ravine
you
here?
have a gold farm. Let me use your gold farm.
Why is there a massive ravine here?
The IP is private because it's a private server. I don't really see how many more times like people could say it's a private server.
See, you were warned.
Did that person in chat?
Why do people like? No, he got put in timeout. That's what happens, little boy.
1270001.
Get put in timeout.
It's thealiendoctor.com.
Yeah, the IP is 127.0.0.1.
Yes.
Would you like that in IP6 or IP version 4?
I asked Bill a question earlier, but he didn't respond.
What'd you say?
I'll put it in chat.
Here, hold on. Here, try this IP.
Oh, yeah, I did see that. I chose to not respond to it.
But the UP.
Yes, matter of fact, I do.
Here, try this one. 153.31.113.21. That's a good one.
Why don't we just
No, you
leak Bill's IP?
Send them.
You should
Try-
put it
he's
on
gonna try- he's gonna try to join the CIA now.
127.0.0.5.
What's that for?
Like the
That
Department
was a
of
short
Justice.
30 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I don't think that was 30 minutes.
It's like,
30
I mean, they
seconds.
did say they were literally 8 years old, so I'm not telling you how to do your job, but you should probably ban them.
Oh, yeah, so about to that point.
Funny cat person, you'll get a perm ban in a minute if you keep it up.
Well, they should do anyway. I don't know if it's the same on YouTube, but on Twitch and Discord, if you have reason to suspect that somebody's under 13, you're supposed to ban them.
Oh, I gotcha.
Oh yeah, he did say he was 8, so there's proof
Exactly.
enough. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Now, how
Go
does
ahead
how
and-
does that
Are we?
how does that
Say
work
that,
with the thank you for that, GG. How does that work for the like kids YouTube? They're not able to access and view the streams, are they?
I didn't know it was
Kids
trolling.
No,
YouTube
they-
doesn't have comments.
Yeah, they don't have comments and they.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Sometimes.
All of my videos are actually posted to where they're not for anybody under 18
More mature than most adults.
Really? Wait. Why's that?
because it like massacres demonetization.
Yep.
Wait.
You
what
just
do mean?
tick the not made for kids box, isn't it? And that's just like not for anyone under 18, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's for anyone under 13.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, because there is one for 18 that will block it unless you've like got ID to prove that you're 18.
Oh, is that how it works? Okay.
Yeah, because when I turned 18, I had to put my passport in and be like, yes, I can watch 18 plus content on YouTube now.
Yeah. That's weird. Back in my day, they just made me enter my birthday. I guess I'm old.
It's like when you're so old you don't even get carded anymore. They just look at you and go, "Yep."
YouTube comments are your YouTube chat is something else today.
Yeah, there.
Dude.
You know, I was gonna consider stream. Oh, I guess it's a Wednesday. Never mind.
I'm gonna be extremely careful when streaming when GG's around.
There.
Although to be honest, everyone that watches me is like
He was hidden.
over 18, pretty much. So
Well, that's the thing, is he wants to be sarcastic, so now he didn't just get banned from the stream, he just got hit from my channel, so now you can't watch any of my videos.
Uh-oh, you lost a sub.
I mean, the hit from channel thing is just stops you from commenting.
The hit from channel, I think, hides the channel altogether.
No, it stops you from commenting, so you can't comment on them.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure.
I'm still gonna be extremely careful.
right.
And I'm very green when it comes to the YouTube stuff.
What do you... Gigi says sign it won't happen again.
Oh,
I think I remember that.
I think it took me almost a second there to remember what was being referenced.
I feel like it's taken me forever to get this little section down, and you guys are like... got like 9/10 of it done over there.
It's because we got dark on our side now.
Are you running the gold farm?
My pickaxe is breaking faster
Yes,
than
gold
you,
farm's
to
running.
be honest.
Oh, dark. Wait a minute. I haven't even run into dark yet.
I did
Everybody
enough
has
work on this
16, so
already.
I don't know who's who anymore.
I don't blame Dark for not wanting to dig. That's not something that I'm going to hold against her, stating that I've seen her private world.
I already dug it down to 96 for you.
Yeah, right?
To me that did that after the mess you guys made on stream.
I was wondering how that got done. Thank you.
Yeah, that was me.
Well, as payment, you can take whatever
Hi, Dan.
material you want that you dug out. Just kidding.
I already did.
Just kidding. You can take whatever material you need.
Got plenty of stone now.
I gotta.
I mean, I
I
could
gotta,
have those diamonds.
I gotta heal. I gotta
No.
heal my pickaxe, or I'm gonna end up. You know what? Let's just mess the place up with some.
There's no diamonds. There's no diamonds at level 90.
What
Or
do
is
you mean?
that-
There's a, wait a minute. What am I doing this for then? I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna waste the time.
Okay, I've got to get out, but good luck with digging your hole.
Alright, thanks, pal. Thanks for hanging out.
Thank you.
Bye,
See
Alien.
ya.
What time is it there? 3 o'clock in the morning?
No, it's like 10 to 6. I just gotta go eat. I might be back afterwards if you're still alive.
I'll be leaving to get my kids here shortly.
Alright.
You know what? I'm not even looking at my chat. People are like,
Welcome in, Dan. We are digging a area all the way down to Y90. That way I can build a city here. I think RS is going for a record-breaking litter quantity. Not really, because it's not me doing it. I've been actually trying to put it all up. Like, most of the stream's been me, like, picking this up and trying to find a place to put it. Let me put this over here. It's going to get in the way if not. Go grab these. And we're going to make some more chests. Do.
Alien. Who's Zalian?
Zalian?
Yeah, it says Sub-Zalian.
I don't
I think
know.
you're reading it wrong. Is that a 2?
Oh, is that what that is? That's a 2? That's a Z, man. Here, I'll fix that for you. think no matter what I do, it's still gonna look like a Z.
Just curve it.
What she said.
No,
That's
that
what
looks
he
even
said.
worse.
Alright, now I can dump all of this garbage in here.
I'm creating more garbage.
Thanks, pal.
Now that looks even worse.
Well, on the bright side, I'm mining out this entire area for you, so.
Yes, I don't mind the garbage.
Okay, now how do I patch this up?
Alright, Y90.
Yeah, that looks.
Welcome in, Super Stan. Welcome to the stream. No, they're despawning.
Here, I can fix this.
Love it when you can hear the gears turning in Moss's head.
Yeah, he's deep in thought right now.
Beep boop, beep boop.
That is a lot of flint, man. You must have looting on your shovel or something. Or a fortune,
Yeah,
rather.
3. Oh, fortune 3. Yeah.
you got looting on the shovel? That's a new one.
Used to be able to do it. I don't think that you can do it anymore, though. Not.
I can be weird sometimes.
Yeah.
Well, you can still put sharpness on your axes.
Right.
Yeah, you can. I mean, it's a weapon, so why wouldn't you? It's 100% drop rate for flint.
Yeah. So aggravating.
Oh man, why does he do this last minute?
No. Because he didn't want to do it. A couple minutes from now.
Okay.
Maybe sword. And we'll put that in there.
Oh, you're back at mining.
Not used to seeing what? The comments inside of the comment section. Probably. Yeah. You occasionally get people like them. You think that's bad, you should see these people that keep joining my Discord.
Don't give him any ideas.
You just, yeah, if you go into the Discord, don't click the link.
Oh, Aris, you should go to my first voicecraft video and look at the most recent comment. Like the very first voicecraft video. Just look at the recent comment. Most recent comment.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
I gotta do that, but I also gotta work on probably some other stuff as well.
Oh man.
That's good. You gave me an hour's heads up, dude. Sorry. Venting. I'm probably gonna have to bounce.
All right.
Moss doesn't really bounce though.
I'm gonna have to dip.
The pink only ends around a certain area.
Why can I not find your channel?
Whose? Mine?
Side vectors.
Try Moss. M-O-S-S. Might have to put logic at the end of that. How am I out of dirt?
I don't know why it's not coming up.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Who gave me... How did I get this puke block in my Inventory.
What are you searching? Like in the search bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't exactly come up because it's a very commonly used name. Just search up for like, just search up voicecraft or something. I don't know. It'll be the first result.
All right, I gotta go take care of something.
There we go.
How much longer are you on for, RS?
Oh, probably another 10 minutes or so.
Oh, okay.
I think it was this one here.
Then I'm probably done then. So
The
see
very
you next.
first one, 1 year ago. Is it the one where you're standing on the framework?
No. It's one with the old UI.
Oh, okay.
The very,
I see.
very old UI.
All right. Bye, y'all. Bye, chat.
All right, see ya.
Hey.
Hey, you got 30,000 views on that one.
Yep. I don't know how it's still going up.
The newest? How long ago was it? Just recently?
Yeah, very recent. Like it's pretty much the top comment. Top comment on newest.
I have to sort it by newest first. Really? Translate to English.
Wait, hold up. I think you did. Wait. Oh, okay, you got it. Never mind. And this, my response to the.
I think that's a you issue.
Comment. Yeah.
No, I wonder, because that guy's using the same mad face. I bet you that's the guy that just got kicked from the stream. Now he's probably...
No, he commented like a few days ago. Look at the date.
Oh, 1 day ago? Okay. Huh. Ah, you got reported. Uh-huh. What
I don't see any changes to my channel at all.
What are they gonna report you for? I reported you because your video is outdated because it's a year old. I report you.
I know. I don't know what's going through that.
Some people.
Brain.
I don't know. You know, it's primarily a thankless job being a content creator, and you know, very little financially gain, and like most of what you're doing is because you're like genuinely trying to help the community, and then you have people like that. I don't know, their mother didn't beat them with a broom enough, and it shows. Just this.
Yep.
I don't know. Not being mean, but you know, you get to a point where being mean's warranted. It's ridiculous that people are like that, especially when they're not paying anything for it. They think that it's just owed to them, when we're literally spending hours, tens of hours, hundreds of hours to put these things together, videos included, and then you have people that just think that you owe it to them. It's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Llama Head. Nope. There we go. Gotta keep an eye on the time. What did it say? It said... And I report you. And then it also says, I hate you because every tutorial that you, in capital letters, make, you just cut the video. I don't know what this website is. I don't even know what they're talking about.
Oh my gosh.
Is he mad at me? Oh, he's mad at me. I hate Enderman. I didn't even do anything to him. Wait, what? Here, I'll bring it up here in just a second. As soon as I make sure there's no creepers around me.
A zombie dropped an iron ingot. That's rare.
All right. Let's see here. So this is the comment here that he's talking about. It says, and I report you. And I hate you because every tutorial that you make, you just cut the video. I don't know what the website is or what website is. Bad face. Oh, those are two separate people. Are they? Wait.
No, they're the same.
Then, oh, I wonder if that's a vidIQ issue because it says one has 91 subscribers and the other one has 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah, that's an IQ issue. Look at the name; they're the same. You can't have two users with the same name.
Well, yeah, that's what I assume. Samuel Borges something. Then this one is... Hey, look, they got the exact same name. Why does it even do the user, like, mask if you can just click on their channel and see anyways?
Yeah.
Doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose? I mean, I'm not the smartest man, but that's, doesn't make sense to me.
Probably thing. I don't know.
Endermen are trolls. You got that right. I hate Endermen. They're the worst. They are the worst.
Ooh. About halfway done with the final layer.
That is awesome. Get this all removed. Yeah, I know, I left a floated tree over there. And here. Got about 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to have to wrap up the stream.
Quick, let's finish this.
Yeah, right.
Oh, well, 3 AM on my side.
Yeah, generally. Like a night
Stayed
owl,
up late because I could.
right?
I'll have to keep working on my assignment.
Did you start your game yet?
Oh, it's already been started. I'm already like halfway through. We've got the map done. We've got the car done. We've got the interaction system done. We've got the shaders done.
Holy cow.
Navigation system, AI, and a few other things. Sound. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Anything we haven't got done is the open world streaming, which I don't know how we're going to tackle.
Huh.
Because when you're dealing with a game that's, you know, like there's certain things that you don't want to save, instead of saving everything, it becomes a bit difficult choosing what you need to save.
Yeah.
Like, I mean,
That makes sense.
Minecraft is pretty easy because you just save chunks and that. But in open world, like streaming, it's a bit different.
Right. Yeah, I could definitely see that. Holy cow, that's a lot of blocks. I gotta be careful not to dig down too, because this is the final layer.
I mean, there's a lot of stone we have, so we could just fill it in.
Right. Yeah, I don't know if I have any stone. That poor bird. Made a fool out of themselves. Yep. People typically do. You give them the chance and they never cease to surprise you. Yeah, I get being young, but I don't know. I don't know why people aren't raised with core values like, you know, would you like somebody doing that to you? No? Well, you probably shouldn't do it to somebody else. You know, it seemed like one of the first things that I was taught. And I don't even know if that's taught anymore. No! I broke it at the ground. Maybe it's not a bad idea that I get this grass instead of dirt.
Ah, oh gosh. Almost broke my pickaxe again. That's full.
Yeah, the ones on the right side. The ones on the right side are pretty empty.
Oh gosh, I mined a lot.
Yeah, I would say. Fill this ravine in. Yeah, then I'm gonna have to come up with a decoration for that building. Last time that I tried it didn't work out very well. Figure something out though. This out of here. You guys are maniacs. Remove the entire world.
Ooh.
What'd you find?
Oh, I'm back.
Hi, Beck. I'm built.
Are you?
Yep.
New message
Make
of the
note of
day features on the beta and preview. I picked up the trident by accident. Oops.
Yeah.
I actually don't know how I picked it up.
That everything. Always the wheat seeds. In what, the gold farm?
We need to stop this.
I'm actually surprised that you're able to pick it up in the gold farm.
Now I have to kill them all manually.
Yeah, you can fly away. If the area's not loaded, I should be far enough away to not load it.
Alright, never mind. I killed them all. And that should be good enough. There we go.
Alright, let's fill this in. This looks like an old cave. No, that is not what I wanted to do. Alright, I think that'll be good for now. Head back on over here. Subtalian.
Now that I think about it, 99% of the Minecraft world is empty.
Right. Yeah, pretty much. I don't know about 99% of it, but there's a lot of it.
If you take into account face culling.
What is it? Oh, face calling? Yeah.
How
Well,
did I pick that up again? Oh my gosh, dude.
oh yeah, most definitely. Because with the faces not being rendered. Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it. And the insides of the boxes, they're all empty too. Anyways, guys, I'm wrapping up the stream. I got to run and get my kids from school. And I will probably see you guys next Tuesday, 10 a.m. I've been super busy lately, so I don't think that I'll probably do any unscheduled streams. But yeah, you never know what's going to happen with me. Depends if I get bored and run out of stuff to do. Did somebody drop water on my iron farm? Somebody turned my lava into obsidian. Okay, great, wonderful. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next stream. See ya.